Good morning, everybody. What's going on? Hopefully everything is working correct right now. I gotta get the camera set up really quick. Oh my goodness, Steve Danger is first, and we have Crypto Rocketeer in the house as well. Have a good day, everyone. Might pop in later. Crypto Rocketeer, I don't know if you're still in here or not, but thank you very much for stopping by and saying that. Steve Danger, you still here, my man? Ricardo, good morning to you. About money on Clay's having technical difficulties. No, Steve Danger, I was actually having eye difficulties. I think I was eating some sunflower seeds and got some jalapeno salt in my eyes because my eye is like on fire right now. So if you're here, man, if you're still here, it wasn't technical difficulties. It was sunflower salt in the eye difficulties. So we're getting that camera set up as my eye is watering right now. What is going on? Looks like I lost money then to myself. Well, it's alright, dude. That's the best kind of money to lose. It's like giving yourself a loan on your 401k. Darn, you gotta pay yourself interest. It's terrible, isn't it? Alright, let's see. For some reason, my mouse is dead. That's terrible. And I don't have any batteries. So it looks like we're going to be... Oh, no. There it is. It's working. Alright, cool. Top of the day, everyone. What's going on, MD? Rocket is second. Glad to have you in here, Rocket. And glad that you are second because Steve Danger is always first. Alright, let's see what we got going on. Is this going to work? Let's see. Is it going to work? Yes, it's going to work. Alright, perfect. And if my eye is watering a little bit, it's because I got jalapeno salt in my eye. So we're going to be just fine, guys. We're going to be just fine. Let's see what we got going on here this morning. See what's happening. AMC is down a little bit, 4%. We know by now that 4% is not a huge swing in AMC. And look, that's a nice green candle. If you look on a 5-minute chart, we get a nice green candle there. Well, really nice wick, right? We really want to fill that candle. So let's see what happens with that. Third. Brett's calling top bunk. Third. Good deal. Whoever, like, that's a good question. With the 43 of you in here right now, let's just start the morning off nice and slow. Did anybody ever call bottom bunk? Like, anybody? I think not. It was always for the younger brother. Alright, come on now. What about against top bunk? So you are having technical difficulties then, Kara. Technically, my eye was having difficulties. Well, alright, with the mouse. Now I see what you're saying. The mouse wasn't working for a second there. But the eye is the difficulty that was delaying the start 1 minute. Good morning, bro. New foe, what is up, top bunk? Yeah, Clay's your level of support under 50. James Brown, good question, man. Under 50, we get support at 47, exactly where we're at right now. And then, like, 42 to 40. So let's take a look at that right now if you want. We can, we might be able to see it on a 1 hour chart. If not, we'll go out to the daily chart. But look, you can see here, it's going to be hard on an hour chart. Maybe not. Alright, so hopefully you guys can see this. If not, we had a little bit of support coming in right here, right? Way back when. We tested it again last week when we bounced off 47.77. And now, unfortunately, it looks like we may be breaking this level of support. I don't know if you can, I can't see where my picture's at on there. So it looks like we may be breaking this level of support right here in the $47 range. If that happens, where do we go? We could fall all the way back down to here, which is $40 per share. Now, yes, there is some baby support in here around the $45 range. So we might see it, I don't know, level out here throughout the day. We might see it level out between $43 to $45. If it does, great. But the support we really need to keep an eye on is that $40 level that we got right here on the chart. Now, I know, you guys thinking another $6.50, we might drop another 15% today. It's possible, all right? It's possible. Support and resistance lines aren't 100% guaranteed. They're not something that's, you know, the holy grail of investing or anything like that. But technical traders do use support and resistance lines to determine whether or not to buy the stock, to determine whether or not to sell the stock. So we may end up testing this level at 40. If that happens, okay, if we break through that, just warn you guys now. I mean, you're all adults in here, right? And you guys are going to throw a hissy fit if I tell you it could go down a little further. If we break support there, we could end up testing $30, okay? And then you guys know by then what happens if we break through that. The $20 level that we were all facing in January, that could be support. And also we could drop all the way back down here. I mean, hopefully we don't, right? But those are the levels of support you're looking at if we watch this stock start to fall and really start to lose out. So knowing that it's in $45 range right now, guys, if we see a bloodbath today, 40 is going to need to hold up. So keep that in mind. Be strong, guys. Do not worry. Don't let this, because at the end of the day, and you know it, I know it, everybody knows it, if AMC falls, it doesn't change my plan whatsoever. If it changes your plan, you should kind of ask yourself why. Because your plan shouldn't be to day trade and swing trade AMC. Your plan should be to eat up the supply of the shares and then wait for the short squeeze to happen and do not allow the hedge funds to cover those shares. Like, that is my plan. That's my plan. I can't say that should be your plan. But if you're here for a short squeeze, that's a short squeeze plan. Eric says, I got another question. Since 6/28/21, we have been slowly going down. It feels like death by 1,000 paper cuts. Also seems like their algorithm is firing on all cylinders. What do you think? Eric. Good question. We have been trending slightly lower, and yes, it's the wedge for you, man. That's the wedge. I'll go back up big real quick. That's the wedge we were in here. So everybody likes the bullpen, and it's like YouTube's favorite technical pattern to be looking at. And it just happens, man. And we were trending sideways pretty nicely. And I know you say 628, which is right in here. So yeah, we had one last bounce off the upper edge on 629. And then if we would have bounced off the lower edge, we would have continued back higher and tested that, I don't know, $58 level again. But it didn't happen. We broke through it. And then the lower end of the wedge served as a level of resistance here. And now, unfortunately, it looks like we're falling through some levels of support on the way down. So I don't know if it's necessarily hedge funds pressuring the stock down or, you know, whatever you guys want to call it. To me, it looks like a perfect example of a technical pattern. I mean, I know you guys can see the same thing I'm looking at here on the screen. This looks like a perfect wedge with a breakdown to the downside instead of the upside. If we would have broke out and sustained this move to the upside, like if any of these days sustained this move to the upside here, we would have had a bullish breakout. But it seems like we're getting a bearish breakout at this point. And honestly, to me, it looks like textbook trading, textbook technical trading, like 101. So I don't think that that's something that everybody should be concerned about or worried about. Cookie, good morning, Cookie. How are you doing? What is going on? This is War. Ricardo is ready. Hey, bros. Nick F. Glad to have you in here, man. How are you doing? When you get home, Nick F., let me know. If it falls enough, I would just buy more. I like Cassie. Cassie, glad to have you in here. Because a lot of people says, if it falls enough, I'm just going to sell everything. And Cassie's got a good head on her shoulders. Heading to the beach. Have a good one. Nick F., here's the deal, man. Write ClayBro. Like YouTube, YT, and then hashtag ClayBro. Really big in the sand. Do it, man. And I'll give you a sticker. And I'm not being dumb. Like, you get a sticker for doing that. I give you a sticker. Go write YouTube and then ClayBro. Really big in the sand for everybody on the beach to see. Make it cool too. And then tweet me a picture and I'll retweet it. But yeah, do that, dude. And then I'll give you a sticker. Maybe even a shirt. Who thinks that Nick F needs a shirt? I think Nick F needs a shirt. Who am I kidding? I already got a shirt for Nick F. Come on. Hey, Nick, are you still in here? Nick, are you still in here? Nick F only goes to the beach, and I don't think he works. Nick F doesn't work, man. He should be modding right now, but guess what he's doing? He's over there at the beach, hanging out, boogie boarding. Goodness, dude. You know, I would be live on the beach, Nick F, and you're just over there boogie boarding, man. Come on. Get one of those waterproof cases and help a man out. Gap says, good morning, what's going on? Oh, Nick F, you are still in here. Check this out. Nick F, don't leave. Don't leave. Guys, give me 2 seconds. Don't let Nick F leave. Oh. right. And hey, they are cargo shorts, by the way, if you're wondering. They're just not cargo color. Nick F, this is you. And you got these AMC earnings. Psh, exactly, Nick F. That's what I'm talking about. Guys, take a page out of Nick F's playbook there. If you've got these AMC earnings, who needs to work? All right, check this out. Nick F, this is you, man. This is you. Right here. You see that? And you want to know what's really cool about this shirt? My boy's a mod. Oh, yeah. My boy's a mod. And you know it. So now, if you guys want to know where Nick F is, all you got to do is look for the bro shirt with the blue wrench mod, or the blue mod wrench. Yes. That's you, Nick. That's you. That shit is wetting the bed hard this morning. Do it live, are they? What's up, Natalie? How are you doing? Superheroes don't always wear capes. Some wear cargo shorts. Natalie, that should be the new phrase. I love that phrase. We're going to go with that one. Did Nick F even see it? Did that dude just leave? Tell me he saw that. Come on now. Can't wait to get my wrench, my t-shirt and wrench. Hey, get the wrench before you get the t-shirt though, Danger, because if you want the wrench on the t-shirt, you got to be a mod to get the wrench on the t-shirt. But you could get a t-shirt and then a wrench afterwards, but I would go wrench then t-shirt. Lou from Universe Wall Street says the stock is falling to 30. KM, it could. We got to break through 40 before we get down to 30 though. We just went over the levels of support and resistance, or support. So if you wanna go back over those, we could. But yeah, it's possible. But here's the deal, man. Don't listen. Lou's an entertainment guy. All right, Lou's a conspiracy theorist guy, and he likes to stir things. He likes to stir the pot, and you know that's a fact. You know that's true. So don't let the dude stir the pot that hard on you. Okay, dude. I think Nick F left, and he didn't even see it. Danger. That's messed up, isn't it? I said, Nick, hold on 1 second. Don't leave me. And then he leaves me, and I try to show him his custom shirt, and he says no. I don't know why. Come on, Nick F. What are you doing? All right, let's get the chart going back. Let's get it, I don't know, 1 minute or 5 minute bars. Let's see what we end up doing here. What's 1 minute look like? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Not good. Not a good day for AMC at the moment, but it's all right. Shruti, good morning. What is going on? How are you doing? Fall to 30 and soars to 30,000 on the way to the moon. Oh, yes. Act like you're not an adult entertainer yourself. Dude, I know. If you're talking about me, I'm definitely an adult entertainer. That is messed up. I'll take the wrench and wrench shirt for doing you so dirty. I'm telling you, man. You might just get it. Danger. You might just get the shirt and his wrench, because I said, Nick, hold on, man. Don't go boogie board just yet. Good morning, everyone. May the attendees be on your side. Diva Star Omega, yes. May the attendees be on your side as well. New subscriber above your head. Do the finger wave thing. Brittany, right? Oh my goodness, Brittany. Thank you very much for clicking that subscribe button. 16 hours ago. 16 hours ago was the last subscriber. If anybody wants to subscribe to the channel, please do it for my soul, because 16 hours is a really long time to go without a subscriber. Steve Danger, never change, man. I'm pretty sure that's exactly what I wrote in his yearbook. It's okay. Nick rushed out to write your name in the sand. Caesar, you might be right, man. We can't just jump to conclusions that the dude's out there dissing us to go boogie board. He may have ran out to write the name in the sand. AMC and GME chart are mimicking again. Can you say manipulation? I thought you could. I did say it when I said, can you say manipulation? Yeah, dude, we don't know if it's manipulation or not. We don't know if it's manipulation or not. It might just be people trading technical patterns. Come on, the same people that are in GameStop that are in AMC. We know they are. I know 8 blah, 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 but I need some real, tangible reason why a shareholder, I shouldn't take my 100% gain and go. This looks bad, man. Top damage wizard. Why you shouldn't take your 100% gain and go. Dude, take your 100% gain and go. No problem with that. See, the thing is, dude, if you get 100% gain at 46, you got in late. So, take your 100% gain and go. I'm alright with that. But here's the deal, man. Don't be upset when you could have had, 10,000% gain. Yeah. Alright, we got that. Joe, what's up, Joe? How you doing? Do it live. Go. If it's too stressful, lessen your shares or just go. Destroy the darkness. And, that's the respectful way to put it. If it is too stressful for you guys, please lessen your shares. This is not something that you should be sitting here like in a tizzy about, man. Just, if you can't handle it, that's all right. Yep, sure is manipulation, just my humble opinion. Hey, could be party puppy, or could just be people, the same people are trading the same stocks. Where did my tablet? I thought I had my tablet over here. One or the other. Either way, it doesn't change what I'm doing today. Just sitting here watching the chart. I'm sitting here watching the chart. I have no plan on selling. Like, even if it drops back down to $4 today, I have no plan on selling today. So, this is just like, I don't even worry about selling it's not even an option for me. Should I keep my stocks in AMC Speaker Network? Do you want to? If you want to, yeah, keep them, man. If you don't want to, jump ship. Should I keep my... Okay, just answer that one. Marky, what's going on, Marky? Glad to have you in here so bright and early. It's 6:48 in the morning. Paper Hands woke up on the wrong side of the bed today. Stop, didn't they, man? They woke up. Did they even wake up yet? They might still be having a nightmare. Could be, and doesn't change my conviction either. Absolutely party puppy, man. Like, it could honestly, guys, it could drop to $8 today, and that doesn't change the fact that I'm holding for a short squeeze. When the shorts have covered, then I'll be disappointed. But the fact that it's falling right now is just intraday. It's just intraday action. Yesterday's vid helped clear my doubts. Thank you, Clay. Shrudy, I appreciate that. Yesterday's video did not get as many views as typical, but I think that a lot of people needed to hear it, and it's all right. It's okay. It's okay. Shake the paper hands off the train. Ape Strong Diamond Hands all the way. Yeah, Lex, I mean, it's if you guys can't handle the heat, I don't want to be dumb. Stay out of the kitchen. This is a place for M. James. Stay out of the kitchen if you can't handle the heat. But it's true, guys. If you can't handle the heat, either lessen your position or do something that makes you can, because this isn't a game of us day trading AMC and making a 200% gain and then walking away. This is eating the supply and stopping the hedge funds from covering their short positions. Remember that. A lot of people have made it about something else. Oh, yeah. Mouse is acting up again. Alright, just don't touch the mouse. Stock shoots up 400%. Everyone jumps in to buy the same stock. Go to down 10% and say, oh my gosh, should I sell it? Yeah, do it live. Exactly. Because they have no idea what's going on with AMC. Psh, if it drops to $8, I'm going to load up on so much AMC. Kenny G is going to throw a fit. Yeah, dude, that's the thing, man. That's the thing. If they give us a deal of a lifetime again without having... Think about it. If you guys had the chance to buy AMC right now at $8, would you buy it? I'm sure everybody in here would probably say yes, okay? Now, knowing if it goes back down to $8 again, and the short percentage, the short interest, is the same as it is now, you are in. It's like you got a free time machine to go back down to the $8 price, because nothing has changed. Nothing has changed with the trade. The short interest has remained the same, and we're back down at $8 again. So it's like you had a free trip in a time machine back to the $8 land. Wouldn't you all want AMC at $8? I think you would. Stay out of Clay's kitchen. Natalie. Yes, guys, stay out of my kitchen. I need to clean it up before you guys come over. Hang out at $8 and buy more. Amos. Yeah, me too, man. Tomorrow's the last day for the threshold security. Do you think the hedgies are going to do a do or die to drive the price down? Saab, we may see some action like that, but also I don't think that if there's, let's say there's 13 million failed to delivers out there that they've got to cover. Is 13 million shares, is an extra 13 million shares being traded going to do much? Is it going to drive the stock price up? Because people are extremely willing to sell right now. People are willing to sell at $46 per share. You can see it. They're willing to sell at $46 per share. There's trades coming in right now. Look at this, $46 per share, 290,000 shares traded hands. $45 per share, 830,000 shares traded hands. People are willing to sell at $45 per share, and they should not be willing to sell. Oops, my bad. Stay out of M. James's kitchen. Yeah, stay out of everybody's kitchen. Especially M. James's kitchen. Fire sale. Agent Jack Stone. Yeah, I believe this is a fire sale. And I think that we could see an even better price. So, I don't know. We're just going to watch it, see what happens. Spending $1,500, fire sale, weak apes. Oh, my goodness. These guys are out there selling AMC. Don't do it. Don't do it. Do it if you want. Like, I can't tell you not to sell, right? But, you know, your mom looks at you like, are you really going to continue doing that? No, you're not going to continue doing that. Like, you get this look from your parents, you're not going to continue doing it. So, yeah, keep that in mind. Hector, hey, how was your day? Good, Hector, how's your day going? Agent Jack Stone says, best day ever, picked up more, got my average cost down. It's going to be an ape, diamond, ape. Yes. It's going to be an ape, diamond, ape, baby. It is. I like it. I know you like it. And just because AMC, this is the thing I like about my channel. Who in here, everybody in Matt's channel is probably crying right now, like, because you guys said they were. But look at you guys, man. You're like, I'm buying more. I'm buying more. Wow, WTF, $46. Not 45, Xavier. 45. And dropping hard, man. Are you scared? Breathe, Xavier. Right. Love the Goku mug. Ricardo, check it out. Ricardo, check it out. Other side, Vegeta. And then if I actually had some hot coffee in it, they go God mode. But I don't have hot coffee in here. They can't wait a few more days. It makes sense. They're dropping the price to scare people, and then they're going to regret it. Most likely, Christian. Most likely. But, you know, people make their own decisions. Clay, what animes are you into other than Dragon Ball Z? Shruti, honestly, none. Honestly, none. I really don't watch TV, and the only anime I ever really watched was Dragon Ball Z. The hedge funds keep shorting my sneezes, guys. We need a sneeze squeeze to come in here because I don't understand. They must be the hedge funds are shorting my sneezes. I guarantee it. That's why I can never sneeze during market hours. I can only sneeze after hours. Gotta love them Dragon Balls. Me too! This is a great sale. I already have my quota at pretty low average cost, but I'm very tempted to buy more now. Dude, you could get some more, man. You could get some more. See what happens at this $45 level of support. If we break through it, you might get a sale at $40. So, keep an eye on that, and we'll see what happens from there, because, yeah, man, there's no saying that it's going to stop at $45 here, but it is a level of support. So, you just got to watch out for that and see what happens. See, well, let's put a little line on Weeble right now if we can, because this mouse is just acting up. So we got the low there of the day. If we bust through it, we'll find out. I'm down for my Hero Academia. I'm down for anything. I'm down for anything that Cookie's down for. So keep that in mind. Diamond handing it, but stress is high. Mad Medic. It's alright, dude. If you're diamond handing it, there's no such thing as stress. You can't make diamonds without some stress. So it's okay, dude. Let the pressure form you. Could be the last drop. I was waiting for this dip. Christian was waiting for it. It's actually dipping because of Christian. He was the one that was waiting for it, so that's why it's dipping. If anybody asks me why AMC is dipping today, you know, I'm not going to say manipulation. I'm not going to say that because people are selling it and unless people are buying it. I'm going to say because Christian was waiting for the dip. So, Christian, this one's on you, man. Hopefully you can handle the pressure because I guarantee you, a lot of people ask me, why is AMC falling? And I'm going to say it's Christian's fault because he was waiting for the dip. I miss Toonami so much that I made my own list and pretend. Agent Jack Stone, I like it, man. It's an anime, Clay. Well, Cookie, I like it then. I didn't know it was, but I like it. Death Note is good. Okay, Death Note is good, whatever that is. Probably another anime. The sales never line up with my payday. Oh well, buying more anyway. Who needs to pay their rent? We're just out there buying AMC. Blame it on me. I'm doing it, Christian. I'm blaming it on you if people ask me. It's Christian's fault. Y'all seen Monster? It's free on YouTube. Possibly better than Death Note. I have not seen it, Agent Jack Stone. Hey, Daddy Bro. What is up, Alicia? How are you? Are they using selling pressure to get ready for covering the FTDs? Muzwani, possible, but I would imagine they've already covered some of those FTDs. Glaze, 4th of July summer stock sale is going on now. Yes, it is. Natalie, stock up, guys, because this is the 4th of July sale that everybody's been waiting for. AMC getting just... Hey, listen, if I say AMC getting ripped at the moment, okay, don't get all upset with me, because it is getting ripped at the moment. It is going down. So, don't get upset with me if I tell you what AMC is doing, because we are watching this bad boy fall 10%. Okay, bro dad or bro daddy. Daddy bro or bro daddy. I like them both. Which one you want to say, Alicia? AMC is getting hammered. Yes. But don't worry. Yeah, exactly, Matt Perry. I can say it's getting ripped. I can say it's getting hammered. Because it is, guys. It is going down right now. But I don't understand some people who are worried about intraday price action, because it doesn't change anything at all. It really doesn't. SSR for tomorrow. Yeah, we are down 10% today, Nani. So we will be, well, actually for the rest of the day and tomorrow's trading day, right? That's how the rule works. Rest of the trading day and tomorrow. It's going to test that 42 and bounce right back off of it and go straight to the moon. Not a financial advisor. That's just what I'm thinking. Gary, it could, man. We could see it bounce off 42 and go higher. We might test 40. Clay Poppy works better for me. Cookie, I like it. Clay, who said Clay Daddy? We got Clay Poppy in the house. All right. Might need to change the YouTube name after we grow up a little bit. Going from ClayBro to Clay Poppy. Buying more. Chico's buying more. No, AMC Spring is just being compressed. Yes, it is, Hector, and then it's going to soar off of it. After this, hedgies will know that we are standing strong. Ricardo, I sure hope they do. I only wish I'd waited till 42. Well, agent, we don't know if we're going to hit 42 or not, you know? It's a possibility that we hit 40. It's a possibility that we hit 40, you know? There's no saying how. That's the danger of it. And a lot of people say that, you know, you want to buy the dip, right? Everybody says buy the dip, but here's the thing about buying a dip. If you buy it on the way down, it's like catching a falling knife, right? That hurts. You didn't catch a falling knife. That hurts. Wait till the knife hits the floor and then pick the knife up. And you can't predict the floor perfectly, but you understand what I'm saying? That's why you would want to buy the dip after it starts rising again. If we lose it all and you have ClayBro status, Clay covers losses, Clay covers losses, go to be a member and like and subscribe. Yes, Mad Medic, do that. Make sure to become a member, and I do not cover your losses. No, that is not true. But make sure to like the channel, subscribe to the channel, and become a member. All good there. Eric says, Clay, how low do you this will go? Eric, we have to ask Christian. He's the reason it's falling, so we have to ask Christian how low it's going to go. Christian, where did you want that dip to go to, man? Since you were the one that was wanting that dip, how far did you want it to go to? My wife is getting nervous over these prices, and I keep trying to reassure. Brad Pitt, man, bring her on the channel right now. We'll reassure. What's she nervous about? Let me know. Like, legitimately, man, that is a difficult word to say if you're trying to say it fast. Legitimately, let me know what she's concerned about, and then we can ease those concerns. If she's just, like, in general concerned, what are we going to do about that? But as AMC Trapper says, it's just the dip before the rip. Yes, his legacy lives on. AMC Trapper may not be here, but his legacy lives on with us. You can pick her up after the squeeze. That's true, Hector. Oh, man. Bro Daddy will give you virtual hugs to cover hurt feelings over losses. Alicia, yes, I will. Christian, you done buying or not? What's going on, bro? We need to know. Is the dip over? Is ClayBro the right person to reassure? That's a good question, Matt. That's a good... Tough love? You ever heard of that? Yes, explain to the lady about failure to delivers. Wow, failure to delivers, man. So failure to delivers occur. You guys know by now, if you've watched any of the videos, that failure to delivers occur when the transaction, for one reason or another, fails to deliver. Now, the good thing is, with AMC being on a threshold list, there's a lot of failure to delivers out there at the moment. 5 consecutive days of more than 2,500 failed to delivers. What's that mean? They will be covered. They should be covered by tomorrow, right? But failed to delivers typically only have a T+4, not some 13-day rule. It's a T+4. So just be assured that failed to delivers are always being covered. And don't put all your stock in that, or don't put all your beliefs in that that's going to cause a rip or anything like that, because they may already be covering those failed to delivers. Devastator says, loaded up on the discounts that I even bought Kenny G a hammock so he won't sleep on the floor while his wife's boyfriend sleeps in the master bedroom with the wifey. Very nice of you. Omga? Stater. We'll just call you Dev. We'll call you Dev, dude, or DV. Call you Dev. Just bought more on the dip. Very nice. Adma bought more at 45.50. Why I didn't wait a little longer? Dude, that's the thing, man. You're never going to be able to time it perfectly, and it's all right. It's the same thing when it goes up. You're going to say, oh, I just sold at 4,500. I wish I would have waited till it went to 5,000. But life goes on, man. We're all good. Why can't they just eat billions of dollars in losses, but they can't just eat billions of dollars in losses? On top damage. What do you mean they can't just eat billions of dollars in losses? Are you talking about us losing money today, or are you talking about the hedge funds? The hedge funds can clearly eat billions of dollars in losses, dude. Combined hedge funds control trillions of dollars. They can eat billions. Billions to them is like probably $4 to you. I used to date a guy that failed to deliver, but I got a few now that deliver. Alicia's got a few guys that deliver now. Very interesting strategy, Alicia. If you've got a guy that fails to deliver, I guess get a few that do deliver. Let us know if that works out for you. Alicia, Ermina says, I can deliver for you. Or you work for DoorDash? Ermina? Or something else? Instacart, maybe? Uber Eats, possibly? Which one? Bring back the chipmunk need a little calm. Marky, we might be able to get the chipmunk cam hooked up today. I did see him this morning. He was out there, but he hasn't made his way into the house yet. We are winning, Arya. We are winning. Hedgies make us mad. Guys, we still are winning. Like, the hedge funds are still down on their short positions where they have that average at $10 per share, right? Don't let hedgies control their emotions. Do I look emotional to anybody right now? If you guys need to, like, take a cue from what I'm doing here, I'm not emotional. I don't know if you should be. Bro, what's up? WTF is this? Dutch Diamond Hands over here, though. Michael, Dutch Diamond Hands. I got the Ohio Diamond Hands going on. Chipro's got the Diamond Cheeks going on. So, yeah, nobody's worried, dude. We're all good. Bring it on. Bring it on. This is like, okay, 13% drop. Is that the best you can do? We're going to test 40. I know we're going to test 40. Yeah, just be prepared, guys. We're going to test 40. Here's my line, down at 40. Let's just watch that come into play. Hedgies have more money than the apes. Well, I mean, they have a lot of more money than the apes, yeah, probably. But they don't have more money than the retail investors combined. But they do have more money than the apes. I would agree with that one. You doing great, ClayBro. Arya, you're doing good. Thank you for being in here and keeping calm. We're testing 42. We are, and then we're gonna test. I guarantee. Well, I can't guarantee it, but I wouldn't be surprised if we test 40 today. Please keep dropping the price. I want to get 2,000 shares, Sergeant Beef. What price are you picking those shares up at, Sergeant Beef? Let us know. Because we're going to see if it dips down to that. We can put a line on the graph. You plan on getting them today or just sometime in the future? It hurts, but that is a battle after all. Phil, yeah, man. People get upset. Like, people forget that we're in a battle here. Like, don't be upset, guys. We're fighting the hedge funds. Come on now. I mean, talk is cheap. Put up, dear. Yeah, talk is cheap, dude. If you deliver for DoorDash, how quick can you get to her house? That's what we want to know. How quick can you get to her house once you've made it to the restaurant? Everybody, like, if you want a 5-star rating, dude, you gotta be on top of your game. Buy the dip, hold the dip, AMC to the moon. Yeah, we're gonna hold the dip and then we're gonna wait for the rip. Normal dip, by the way. This is a deep dip, but it's still normal to watch it dip. Down 13%, 35 minutes. Crazy! Kansas City Chiefs. I know. You guys wanted a discount today, didn't you? True test. If one's character does not come during times of comfort and prosperity, it is tested in times of struggle and adversity. Do it live, man. I like it. That's deep stuff right there. Very good. Nobody lost anything yet unless you sold your shares. If you're selling, I am buying. Yeah, and if you're worried, guys, Blackjack Dealer's got a good point, man. I still don't think that the hedge funds are buying these shares up right now. So if you're selling, it's likely that actual apes or actual investors waiting for a short squeeze are buying. So, if you can't handle it, it's all right to lessen your position, man. It's just be in a position that you can hold this stock. If you can only afford to hold one stock, dude, you only hold one stock. If you can only afford to hold 100 shares, only hold 100 shares. Like, nothing has changed from that. We got 4.1 million people out there. It's going to be okay. This is normal. Biff! This is normal when you fall through support. Absolutely. Without apes, there will be no hedges. Without people, there is no country. Don't forget who is more people or institutions. People forget how much power we have. Power to the people. Yes, Hector. 100% on that one. Walmart special, guys. This is the blue light special going on right now. Hello, Lauren and Cookie too. Hector, is Lauren in here right now? I haven't seen her. Cookie is definitely in here. 1757 shares so far. Buying more if it gets to 40. Nice, Sergeant Beef. AMC is on clearance at the moment. Yes, I was your 69th like. Mr. Normus, very good. 69 likes, guys. Let's get to 100 likes. I cannot see how many likes we have, but 144 people in here. We should have at least 100 likes. Maybe, will they squeeze my sneeze again? Dude, I promise you, my sneezes are being manipulated, and the hedge funds are the only ones that I can legitimately blame, because typically I can sneeze. I need a sneeze squeeze going on because something's going on here, and I can't even sneeze today. If you can handle the heat, stay out of the kitchen and invest in the S&P 500. Yeah, are you? Go invest in the S&P 500 if you can't handle the intraday price swings and a short squeeze move. And the most speculative move on the market right now. If you can't handle it, just go back to the S&P 500. But no way am I selling. Bread Pitt is not selling, guys. Thank you for letting us know. We will follow you, Bread. We will follow you. The sneeze is being manipulated, but the AMC isn't. It's crazy, isn't it, Matt? For some reason, the hedge funds have got a hold of me, or for some reason, the hedge funds are manipulating my sneeze, but they are not manipulating the price of AMC. It's bizarre, dude. Their priorities are screwed up. You would think that they would want to manipulate AMC before my sneeze, but strange on their part. Good to see you, Clay. Welcome to Out Live. Only one dislike on your video. How did somebody dislike it already? We've only been live for 37 minutes. Come on. What are you doing, Clay Daddy? Give us kittens. I don't have any kittens. I'm allergic. You're going to make me sneeze talking about kittens. Palms are sweaty. Failure no option. Yes, exactly, Ricardo. Palms are not. My palms are actually not sweaty. I don't know if you guys can see them, but the palms are not sweaty right now. I'm sitting good. Good morning, everyone. Long time since I've been here, Clay. My nerves are steady. Down 39,000 already on AMC, but it's waiting game. And just like we used to say in the service, I'm standing by to stand by. Queensbridge, 41st side of things. Good deal. I like it. Thank you for motivating the rest of us. I clicked the wrong one. No, Matt Perry, you didn't do that. Come on now. Sorry, not been active for a few days. Started a new job, getting used to it. Corona 86. Isn't that terrible when you gotta go start a new job and then like you're nervous every day and you're like, oh goodness, these people are gonna hate me. What's going on with here? This stock is such a point of sale. I'm glad I'm still holding over 3,100 shares. This is a point of sale. Blue line supporter. It is a point of sale right now, and if you were interested in buying, AMC is a point of sale. 85,000 down, but I'm here believing that it's all a part of the process. Adma, you got back in, right? You're the one that sold and then got back in after a while, if I remember correctly. Not selling, bro. True ape. I like it. New foe. Driving for owner operator. New truck to get used to. Gotcha, Corona. Okay. I was wondering, you did say that, I believe. Didn't you say that you were going to, after the squeeze, you were going to buy your own truck or something? Was that you that was saying that? Somebody else was saying, like, buy a fleet of trucks and have people drive for you? Threshold list just got them going super hard. They got to cover people, and it will. Yes, they do have to cover those failed to delivers, guys, just like they have to cover all the short shares they got out there. That's the wrong type of kitten I'm looking for, Alicia, like a little cat, right? It makes you sneeze, though. That's why you don't want kittens. Point of sale. Blackjack dealer. Exactly. AMC's a point of sale right now. Point of sale. I like it. Currently in the grocery store in the chip aisle getting ready for this dip. Cookie. Buy us some tortillas. Buy us some tortillas, Cookie. We need some. Clay, you think is short? Oh, somebody sold today. Luigi, yeah, I do think that people are selling today, but I don't think that this is like the hedge funds covering shorts or anything. I think that we got some selling pressure coming in today. We broke through a level of support, and this is what happens when you break through a level of support. I love this guac dip. Buy it more since it's on sale. Miguel, very nice, down 4,000, but holding, feeling like Michael Burry before he made his company in 400 million plus. Nice, Lex Luthor. Yes, you were right. I got all back and even more. There you go, Adma. I knew I remembered. Luigi, you think the short? Okay, I saw that one. War between hedgies and apes. We are winning apes. We are winning. Sale. Buy the dip. Buy the dip. Buy the dip. Blackjack dealer. Miss me cookie. You funny. 7 o'clock in the morning. No, it's not 7 in the morning where Cookie's at. Is that what, did I miss something there? Just turn your phone upside down and you're up 12%. Take the money and run. Best strategy of the day. I'm going to use that one. Do they cover their FTDs if they file for bankruptcy? Yes, Nani. If they file for bankruptcy, the lenders have to cover the FTDs. I had grown men call me crying today. I said something to the effect of, it must be your time of the month. Possibly. I don't know why grown men would be crying today, but down 11,000 today. And guess what? I can guarantee you that Matt Perry is not scared. I can guarantee you he's not scared. What is good with this stock? The fact that the shorts have not covered yet. Will covering bring the price back up? The FTDs? Probably not. The short shares? Probably. Good morning, Clay and Ape family. Darn, we got to mess things. Yeah, we got a big dip going on. I can only imagine how they're spending today's suppressed GME and GameStop trust. They're losing way more than us. They are. AMC, and Luca's looking out for AMC. Want to do 500? Me and Emma are going to start our own channel. Very good, Alicia. What's the channel going to be? Is it going to be on YouTube or is it going to be on another platform? Now we want to know. Okay, time for me to go to work. Have a great day. Joseph, have a good day at work. Young, reload. Everything is about... I think the chipmunk was on my chair out there. I want my chips with the dip. Hi, Clay. ¿Cómo estás, papi? Carolina, ¿cómo estás? How are you? Thank you for calling me papi. Oh my gosh. It's dipping because they want to push as many paper hands out. So yes, if they push all the paper hands out, guys, it's just less people to hold the stock and not eat the supply. And look, I knew it. Matt Perry is not scared. And you should not be scared either. When AMC squeezes over, apes will be the new millionaires, but hedgies will be homeless. I don't know if they're going to be homeless, but yeah, they're going to take a very large hit. And Aria, yeah. I thought the hedges insurance policy would cover the losses if they go bankrupt. Yeah, so the lenders, if the lenders, like if the NSCC and the brokers run out of money, then we could have insurance come into play. But lenders, that's why margin calls exist, is so that the lenders aren't the ones holding the bag following all these losses. Push like you have birth, Ricardo. Push the stock higher like you have birth. I have the 40s, bring me back to the 50s, feel way better. I hate the 40s, bring me back to the 50s, feel way better. Yeah, Luca, we might bounce all the way back up there today. A lot of people get nervous very quickly, don't they? We will comments getting removed and or thumbs up being removed from popular comments. Second day in a row of notices. Very interesting, Dev. I've not noticed this, but we will comments. They're like kind of like Reddit, man. They're out there. We got them green boom booms and them green chipmunk tails coming in right now. Bought 4 options at 43 and 100 more shares. I happy down 3,000, but I'll be okay. Courtney, you're gonna be okay. Push like you have given. Push like you having birth. Ricardo, yes. Push. Tashi has a lot of rockets in there. Cassie, green boom booms coming into play right now. We got those green chipmunk tails on the chart. Sergeant Beef boom boom candles. Oh yeah, we are approaching 200 subs on my channel. Dope, nice. Vigilantes going 200 subs. He's on his way, man. He's on his way. Keep grinding out there, Vigilante. You're going to do it, man. I know you will. Big picture, life-changing wealth. It is, and that's what we are here for. Getting ready to sneeze. Bro, daddy, there will be so much kittens. Dude, I can't even sneeze. So if you're, give me some of that sneeze action, please. The money will be nice, but they're underestimating why we're in it. I'd gladly trade every dime I've put into AMC for changes to make the market fair. I consider holding a civic duty. Guys, it's deep coming from Brett. I'm telling you right now, that is deep coming from Brett. Everybody should just give a round of applause for Brett on that one. If he's holding for that, I thought he was holding for a pyramid. But, dude, he's holding for market fairness. This dude is legit. Please. FYI, this is not a dead cat. No, it's definitely not a dead cat. Matt Perry, congrats on 200 subs. Absolutely, Lex. Matt Perry, if you guys haven't checked out any of his live streams, I don't think he posts many videos, but If you haven't checked out some of his live streams, he usually live streams in the evenings. There's somebody covering AMC like 24/7. So make sure that you guys check those out. Clay, how has this crash happened even with extremely good no dilution news? Chatty, I don't know if Christian's still in here, but he wanted the stock to dip, so the stock dipped today. Man, the GME and AMC chart is almost identical again. Interesting, Steven. Respect on that one. Absolutely. Still buying. Disclaimer. He wants market fairness, but he is still buying a pyramid. Don't get that twisted. He will still be buying a pyramid. ClayBro, you have XX shares or XXX shares or XXX shares or more. Mr. Enormous, yes. Diamond Hands, we bringing the energy in here. Us longer holding apes have to let the others know the torture we've been through since February. Guys, yeah, listen, here's the deal. Let's just remind everybody, okay? From 70, the absolute peak, down to 45 right now, okay? That's not even as bad as going from 14 down to $8. So you guys might not realize the fact that 14 to 8 is worse than 70 to 45, okay? There you go. It might not sound as bad because it's only $6 per share, but the percent gain is bigger. So, like, don't think that we haven't seen this before. Don't think that this is something new. It might not sound as bad, but yeah, it's the same exact thing. Still holding. Sup, Clay, my brother, to the young apes. Relax. We are fine. Holding strong. The tides will change soon. I like it, Ferrari boy. And look, guys, we have a nice... I thought we were going to come down and test 40, but we bounced off 42. We bounced off 42, and now we're coming back up a little bit. So, will this act as resistance now? That's what we need to know. Hey, Clay, not fazed by this. Still holding strong. Sent your last video to my father-in-law to convince him to hold, but if he sells, I'll just buy up his shares. Austin... It happens, man. It happens. And you know what? If he can't hold, he can't hold. Maybe he can get back in later if he wants. But, dude, the name of the game is not to watch AMC go up to $50 and then come back down again. And watch it go back up to $50 and come back down again. The name of the game is to watch it go to obscene prices. 50 is not obscene. I see blurry greens in the background. Blackjack dealer. Is it blurry? It's been a while. I see... Ermina, possibly. I feel like I might have missed something on that one. AMC, not the only thing dropping. ClayBro's new haircut also taking a dip. Tiffy dog. Oh, gosh. We've gone from 77 to 35 before. Yes, we have. We've had a lot more volume back then, too, though. Yeah. So it was a bigger drop because of the higher volume, more momentum. 5-minute candles looking good. Chico, I can imagine it is. We've had a nice run over the last couple of minutes. Very long while. Man, I'm telling you guys. I think there's a side conversation going on between Alicia and Ermina over here. Clay, AMC and Ethereum are going to have the biggest rockets. Oh, they could. Yeah, Chatty Trader. They definitely could. I ain't selling. That means losses for real, yo. I ain't selling. That means losses for real, yo. It does, Terry. He ain't selling. It means losses for real, yo. Oh, that means the loss is for real, though. I think that I might have got it there. Why are you so positive and trying to fool people when you honestly know that a squeeze will never happen? Janice, good question. Because I believe that a squeeze will happen. It's very simple. See, short shares outstanding, unless AMC goes bankrupt, which they are not even close to bankruptcy at this point. Unless AMC goes bankrupt, the short shares will be covered. So I am positive that the short shares will be covered because AMC is no longer facing bankruptcy. So if you are negative or if you're upset, you know, it's all right. I can see why you would be concerned, and the fact that you don't think that the hedge funds are going to cover the short positions, you might work for one. As a rule, hedges have to cover no FUD. Well, yeah, William, you have to cover your short shares unless the company goes bankrupt. There's no date they have to cover and buy unless they get margin called. But there is a rule that they have to cover their short positions. They have a legal contract when they short the stock to buy it back at a later date. Brett, sexiest thing I've been heard today. What did Brett... Oh, man, I don't need to know what Brett says, and I had to step it up. Did Brett say something else, and now I got to step it up? Called her Terry. I mean, just saying. I believe my... Hermina, come again? Janice needs to find another place to spend her time. And goodbye. No, Janice can hang out here, right? If Janice is, like, legitimately concerned or worried or whatever, Janice can hang out here. I don't mind, but it just depends. Like, are you sitting here just trying to cause trouble, or do you have legitimate concerns? If you have legitimate concerns, then I welcome you all day long. I believe that I could talk you off the ledge or however you want to word it, but I don't think that, I don't know if Janice just is trying to cause some problems or not. She was probably your only one dislike. Probably. She probably has no shares. Courtney, I have no idea. And do I still only have one? I feel like I would have more than one today. How if the price goes to 25? Well, Jason, the price can go to $25 for sure. Sergeant Beef is jacked. His diamond hands are diamond. He's got a diamond body. Sergeant Beef has got a diamond body. Bro Daddy, she wants me to come again and again. Alicia, like, I don't know why you would continue to have her over to your house after you had DoorDash delivered once. Like, maybe the next day or the next day, but you don't need her to come back and continue coming back. Wait, who? Matt Berry? I swear, I don't know what Matt Berry does all day at work, but I swear he's got his headphones in, and if he hears, like, anything remotely similar to people causing problems or trolling or working for the hedge funds, his ears perk up, and he's like, what? Am I needed? Oh, gosh. ClayBro, draw that line like you did the other lives. Please learn on the chat works. Oh, yeah. My bad. We need a trend line on here so we don't fall back below it. Alright, cool. Get that big old line. I'll make it purple. Good deal. Thanks for reminding me, man. I guess I'm a glutton. Possibly. I guess, but you should just, I guess, calm it down a little bit and then just let it last over a longer period of time. Are you scared that your 2 shares are down $11? Yes. I'm scared that my 2 shares are down $11. Time to sell. AMC is finished. Ray, why is it finished, man? Why is it finished? Let us know. I look bigger. The bigger the dip, the bigger the rip. Yes, Gary. Head and shoulders pattern in the works. On what chart you looking at there, Lex? We're seeing all the fake apes in here. Yeah, it happens. It's okay. This will go green again. I've been waiting since January. I got plenty of time. Dude, I think I have just as much time as Matt Perry has. I really do. So is this market rigged enough for the hedgies to win regardless of how much the price should go up? They always find a way. Newer Kerman, why should the price go up? Tell me why the price should go up, and then I can address that. Because actually, the price of AMC should go down based on the actual value of AMC, right? But the price is going down because of everybody like you that thinks it's so manipulated you'll never be able to win, so you just go out and sell. So, I mean, dude, I don't know how, like, I don't know a nicer way to put it, but the price going down is mainly because of everybody out there that's so worried about the price going down right now. Ray and Janice, I like it, Natalie. I know a lot of people like to hang out and talk to each other in here, but I feel like Ray and Janice would be a very good couple. They could both sit there and hate on AMC all day long, and yeah, at least they got something in common, right? I know opposites attract, but man, when you got that much in common, you're really gonna have a good time together, won't you? John, you sold and do not want it to rise. You hate on it. John hates on it. I did not see what John had to say. John. Now, John is also telling us that AMC has come to an end. Very interesting. Guys, it's over and the stock is going nowhere. I'm totally a real shareholder and not a shill. That's why when I've lost interest, I spend my day in live streams telling people to sell. Exactly. Brett. That doesn't even make sense that people are in here telling you to sell right now, that it's over. Like, I think that we should just... I don't know how to... Brett, you want to Zoom call in one day, man? Because I think that we need you on the live. We need you to tell people the way it is. I try to do my best, but if you ever get any doubts, guys, just ask Brett, okay? I feel like I need a custom emoji that just says Brett. Like, nice, bold letters. Good morning, Clay. Good morning, April. How are you? So many shills right now. I like it, though. I like it. Citadel or Iceberg. Maybe it's you, Iceberg. Whoever is sending the shills in here right now, continue to send more. One, I like the views. Bring on more views. Two, they are really funny to watch. So continue to send more shills my way, please. Thank you. Can you guys please tell Kenny or whatever senior intern you report to thank him for the dip? I was hesitant to buy more in the $50 to $60 range, but not now. We are doing good now. Yes. Tell the senior intern that you guys report to that we are having a good day today. Think hedge funds are pushing down the price because of potentially having to buy FTDs. Jason, no, I don't think they're going to go out and cover all the FTDs today. I think they were doing that over a period of time. Way better than MK's Live, MacWars Live. Jeez, he answers all shills. Jeezy answers all shills and he has a bunch of them. You are handling them correctly, laughing at them. Yeah, dude, we are good here, man. Thank you very much for saying that. Let's make them excited to do 1 minute collabs with members. 1 minute collabs with members. Dixie, that would be pretty cool. I would be really scared to call some of you guys up, though. Especially, Mr. Normus. Like, what am I going to see if I called you up to do a 1 minute collab with you? Huh? I'm not hating on AMC. I'm currently investing in AMC as well. Ooh, Janice is still here. Very good as well. But no one can predict the market. That's the bad thing about YouTubers. You think you know everything. Janice, very good question. Number one, I don't think that I know everything. Number two, I probably do know a little bit more than you do. Number three, it is all right. And AMC could absolutely go back down to $8. We've already discussed this. And number four, here's what we do know for a fact, okay? The hedge funds have 85+ million shares shorted that they need to cover. If we hold those stocks and we do not sell them back to the hedge funds, we win. It's like, I've got the only apple left in the world right here. You're hungry. You need it. You want it. You're guaranteed to buy it or you die, right? You have to buy this apple from me. And you offer me prices and I say, no, I'm not willing to sell you this apple. I'm the only one with the apple. You can't have my apple. And then you say, all right, well, I'll give you $1 zillion for your apple. And I say, all right, you can have my apple. That's the whole thing. That's the whole thing. Intraday price actions, these intraday swings, they do not matter. So nobody should even, honestly, nobody should even be on YouTube right now. Nobody should be watching anything about AMC. Everybody should just throw their phones in a safe and then disable their notifications and everything. If that's the case, nobody would sell the stock. Volume would be zero. And then we control the supply. And then the hedge funds have to do exactly what we said they've been willing that they have to do, is cover those shares. So it's a good strategy, but I know the 193 people in here, if you all threw your phones in a safe, everybody else, the 30,000 in Matt's channel right now, wouldn't do that, and then they would sell first. ClayBro, wild thought, but the Haiti president of more than 4 years has been assassinated. Could this drive down the markets? Chatty. And I don't want to sound disrespectful in saying this at all, but it could, but I don't know if Haiti has a large enough economic presence that would drive down the market or anything like that. So clearly, it's never good if any president gets assassinated, and any death for that matter is never a good thing. But as respectfully as I can say, I do not believe that would cause major market fluctuation. I'm digging your stream. Terry Wilson, thank you very much for digging that stream, man. I'm glad you're in here. Aren't hedge funds buying up all the shares to get dumped today? Biff. Well, they're not buying up all the shares, but the hedge funds, they could be buying. Listen, they could. So, I don't know. But the people that are out there selling right now, the hedge funds could be eating your shares, and then you could kill the squeeze if you allow the short interest to go down. I don't know if they are buying up shares at $44 to cover their shorts, but they could be. So, just keep that in mind. Rich is the type of guy to eat the pizza crust first. Very interesting. I've never done that. Although, however, I have taken one bite of the crust first on a stuffed crust pizza before I've actually eaten pizza like a normal person. I did my part, ClayBro, made 30,000. I bought more shares at 40. Yes, Mark, I love it, man. Listen, I'm not suggesting buying puts or anything like that, but if you're going to take advantage of the volatility in AMC, do so through options. Don't buy and sell the shares. Why do you think? Well, I can't even tell you that, but take advantage of the volatility through options. I don't think most of us are selling. I think it's the dark pools and naked shorts that are dropping the prices right now. Scotty. It could be, man, but that's a dangerous thought. When you buy the dip, but it's a 7-layer dip. Yeah, exactly, SK. We got a 7-layer dip going on right here. We got to see where the dip actually ends. Rich didn't avoid the Noid. Rich didn't avoid the Noid, guys. I'm gonna miss what Rich said. I don't even know now. Who says taking money from the shorts is easy? Buy and hold. You have to stomach these attacks. Life-changing gain. Yeah, man. I don't know if it's because other people have told you it's gonna be easy, or if you guys just really like everything to be easy in your life. But taking hundreds of billions of dollars from hedge funds is not going to be an easy thing. It's over the apes. You should pick your battles wiser. Sell now, lose. Ooh, man, Kevin's coming in hot. Kevin, why are you so scared, man? Why are you so scared? Are you one of those dudes that says, like, when the world is going to end, you need to buy gold? I think you might be one of those guys. Like, you think the world's ending, so you need to go out and buy physical gold. It's got to be you. Looks like a Batman signal forming on your screen. Not disrespectful. Haiti is a poor country, he said, even though, yeah, dude. It's tough to say that I don't think that's going to have an effect on the market. It's tough to say that because any sort of a death like that is, tragic. Anybody know how many shorts were covered when we jumped to 72? Biff. Not exactly on that jump, but, shorts were reported at 102 million, and then after the next reporting, they were reported at 85 million. So there were less shorts outstanding. So we could have had about 15 million shorts covered during that time, but I don't know if they covered more than that and then took out more positions and so on. So there's no saying how many were exactly covered, but the net would have been roughly 15. I am not even reading the chats, just listening to Clay. Get some life, you shills in the chat. Hey, listen up, shills. If Shruti tells you to do something, you do it. Like, that's just life advice right there. I'm telling you right now, listen to Shruti. Not sold at 64. Why would I sell at 44? PO Coinvest, man. That's what I'm saying. But people are trying. People are trying to sell. Checking in. Ape Life rolls on. Absolutely. Kevin, I will rearrange your guts if you keep up the fun. Ladino coming in hot too. Everyone buy one share for Rich. Do it. Buy a share for Rich. It's spicy in here. Who spilt the Cholula? I don't know, Blackjack Dealer, but somebody did. Somebody shows in this chat this morning. I don't know, Steven. They must be scared. Bought one share. Wish it was my payday. Ted, that's what I'm saying, man. Everybody says these dips never happen on payday. Now, I spilled the horchata? What is that? I don't even know. GME is skydiving as well, down $15 from the open, so it's definitely not an AMC problem. Yeah, it's meme stock problem or AMC GameStop. It's not just AMC. Kevin sounds like Kevin must be spreading FUD. Kevin didn't even both to change his picture from the introducing our new intern slide at Citadel Company meeting. He didn't even bother to change his picture. Come on, Kevin, change that picture. Charles Winkler is the type of guy to get pegged on the daily. Charles Winkler in here? I really don't know what's going on anymore, guys. I think I might have lost it. I think they're mad since it's their last day at Citadel. Oh, their summer internship might be getting a new round of interns coming in. The summer internship is ending for them. Should do the muscular dystrophy and have a buy share challenge. Dave, yeah, I remember those challenges. Like, forget the ice bucket challenge. This is a buy share challenge. First one goes, is every guy to call his mom after it's time to... Oh, goodness. Like the Lonely Island song. I like that song. Just bought 800 more shares. Thank you, Weak Ape. Salvador. Buying big. I like it. Mexican rice water. Gotcha, Doge. Thank you for helping me with that one. My truck has been in the shop for over a month. Bills don't stop, but I'm not selling a single share. Grow some basketballs and hold. I'd like it, Blue Cord. Yeah, bills don't stop, guys. And it doesn't mean that you have to spend so much money on AMC that you can't afford to pay your bills. But please, guys, it's just, it happens. It's in it. How old are you? What do you work with? Just interested. Janice, 32. What do I work with? I spend my days talking to you guys on YouTube right now. And unfortunately, Janice, and I unfortunately have to answer you the same way I answer everybody else on here. I try not to discuss my background or anything like that because I don't want to hold myself up in a light that you guys would rely on me for anything other than entertainment. Okay, now YouTube is for entertainment purposes only, so therefore that's the only light I want to hold myself up in. But with that being said, I am very confident and very comfortable talking about the stock market, talking about microeconomics, macroeconomics, anything of that nature. And not only am I comfortable talking about it, I enjoy talking about it. So I'm sorry that I can't answer that question in any more detail, but I enjoy it. High from London, 840 shares today, totaling 16,891 shares, my best saving account. Lambo, I love it. And listen, I don't know if you guys believe Lambo or not, but at least he stayed consistent. I mean, he's always in here saying roughly the same numbers. So if he was changing his numbers, I'd be a little skeptical, but he's always got the same numbers going on over here. Over the Planet of the Apes, forget AMC. Clove will make you rich. Oh, boy. I don't know. We know what happened to Clove 2 weeks ago, right? Made a lot of people rich and made a lot of people lose a lot of money quick. Just remember the stock may be done today, but we're not the ones that have to scrub the building toilets if we fail to bring it under $30 today. Exactly, Brett. So all these guys in here hating, if you guys don't bring it down, you got to scrub the toilets. So that might be your punishment. Hurry up. We need some more FUD. We need some more shills in here. You guys aren't doing your jobs enough. You're an ex-Chippendale. Well, Doge, whatever you guys want to think that I am an ex, there you go. Clay, I could watch your live for hours. Chatty Trader 2, the good news is I do live streams 4 hours. So you can absolutely watch the live for hours, man. Typically 2.5 hours in the morning and 2 hours in the afternoon. So there you go. Just be patient. A person on death row takes his time waiting for the electrical chair, just like the hedgies. Yes, guys, be patient. Gas up to 419. Wow, dude, leave California, man. Gas is only like upper 2s in Ohio. Matt, kick Eli out. I don't know. I don't even see Eli in the chat. It is moving a little bit faster than normal, guys. So if I do see something and something's crazy, type of guy who smell his friend's finger went off. Oh my gosh. You guys are nuts, man. Why did Robinhood sell my one share I had with them without my permission? Clockwork. I do not know. Did you transfer and then they sold your share and transferred your money? That I do not know why they would have sold your share. Nufo, nice green candle forming. Yes, we're following that trend higher right now. It's very good. Guys, Daddy paid for the library at the worst Ivy to tell me when I'm smart. We've got this. The worst Ivy to tell me I'm smart. We've got this. Yes. Yes. And if you guys did not know, Brett's dad is Citadel and his mom is Janet Yellen. So he went to a very nice Ivy. Rich, come on, man. Don't retract the message. Just love you guys so much. I'm laughing out loud at the comments. They're good today, aren't they, Natalie? They're very good today. Climbing back up. Luca's nervous in the 40s, but we're going to get back up to the 50s for you, Luca. Because Robinhood blows. The idiots in there saying to sell AMC. Oh, yes, Trace. There's a lot of people in here saying to sell AMC for sure. Clay equals BA Trader confirmed. Agent Jack Stone might be on to something. Bouncing back. The stock will hit 60 today. Unclench your cheeks, guys. We've got this. Unless you got diamond cheeks like ClayBro has. Don't unclench those ever. Yeah, Rich, I'm telling my dad you were mean to me and you're going to be in trouble. Uh-oh. Rich is going to be in trouble. One son over 219 last night. Now losing on AMC. Oh, one sons over 219. Well, Tom, it's all right. AMC is not squoze, so we are doing good. We are legion. We are many. Absolutely, Matt. And we are sticking together. Bounce back like Megan Thee Stallion's booty. Yeah, do it. I don't know how well it bounces, but bounce back like that. If you want more than one dislike, I'll chip in. Take the money and run. If you click the dislike button, make sure to click it twice. Okay? Clay, your line is working. I know, Chatty Trader. It always does. It always does. I should have put it on earlier in the day. Eli waxes his legs. He might be. Charles Wing is the type of guy that waxes his ear holes. Might be. The dip before the rip. Good morning, apes. That is what I'm talking. AMC Trapper. Matt Perry quoted you earlier. You were not in here, and he said if AMC Trapper was in here, he would be saying this is the dip before the rip. I like it. Glad you're in here, Trapper. Oh, dislike for you too, Clay. Trace, if you do it, make sure to do it twice, man, and then click the like button at least once. If not once, click it 3 times when you're done with that. When in doubt, zoom out. I'm not even in doubt, but we can zoom out for a lot of these guys in here. Sponsors Nair. Hey, Nair, if you're watching right now and you want to get a ad on the video, you know, go for it. Contact me. It's all good. Bernie Zavetta movie quotes and song lyrics. You got nothing on me. Good morning, Clay. How you doing? Hey, Pro East official. I'm doing great. How are you doing? Hopefully well. Rocket, the only respectful thing is to give them some floss while they're down there. All right. We slingshot for new high levels. We do, Luca. 4 hours still good's good. The 4-hour chart. Good morning, bro. King Vortex. Good morning to you. We're used to not having money. It's going to be an adjustment for all the trust fund shills. Pro tip, add a little cheese on top of your Totino's pizzas and they're much better. Yes. They are, dude. They are. For some reason, they don't put enough cheese on them to begin with it, but you just get some shredded cheese. You know, sprinkle a little shredded cheese on there, and they are a lot better. Brett, I'm with you on that one, man. To be fair, missed it. Yes. Where in Ohio, bro? Dardacha. Can I tell you, you show up in my backyard. If I see you creeping through the backyard when the chipmunk cam is on, I get a little scared. Hey, bro, no more chipmunk cam? Not in the morning. I haven't been doing it in the mornings. Afternoons, I typically do it. It's just a pregame for the after party, guys. Absolutely, Natalie. Had to leave Matt's stream. Too much FUD and bad vibes. King Vortex. What the heck were you doing in Matt's stream instead of mine? Come on, dude. Tell it. Tell everybody else. Come over to ClayBro's stream. No FUD here. Okay, actually, there's plenty of FUD and plenty of shills in here, but nothing we can handle. We send them to Brett, and then Brett takes care of them. Should I fight the shills in Matt's stream? Good luck, Matt Perry. Good luck. I know he had like 11 or 12,000 people in there this morning right after the open, so I'm sure he's got a lot in there right now. Hi, Clay. I'm out here working with my headphones on audio. Great live chat. JLC from California 760. If I scream, man, I am sorry that you have headphones in, but thank you very much. I appreciate that. We're the people partying the streets while the meteor approaches Earth and think we're suddenly going to get scared. Exactly, Brett. We're not scared of a little dip. Come on. Now the whole market is red, guys. Do not panic. Rockets all day long. I'm tired of people saying shh. Shaking? The paper hands out. We really need as much holders as possible, even if they're paper hands and scared. Well, Chatty Trader, not necessarily. We don't need more holders. We just need people who are willing to hold the stock. So if we have a lot of holders, sure, you could say that just because there's a lot, they'll have less money in each portfolio, and they'd be willing to hold it longer. But the whole name of the game is just being able to hold and restrict the supply from the hedge funds being able to cover their short positions. So that's the name of the game. So we really need quality over quantity. Neckbeard is on point today. Mine or yours? Happy? Mine or yours? This is mine. I need to know what yours looks like. That's mine. We need to know what your neckbeard looks like now. Whose is on point? Mine or yours? The live stream is brought to you by Paper Hands. Great tasting dips before the rip. Yes, it is, Lex. And unfortunately, the shills are not paying me. So if the shills want to hang out in here and pay me, please do so. You can... Well, what can you do? You just send me a super chat, shill. It's the only way you can pay me. Do call options average out when you buy the same option you have on a dip? Yeah, so the price would go down. The price would go down if the price was, like, if you're buying call options and the price was down, like on the dip today, if you bought another call option and then it goes up, you're going to be gaining on the one call option and you're still going to be losing, but you're going to be losing less on the other call option. Oh, it would be like averaging down on a stock. Not worried till $10. King Vortex, good. Are you still going to be worried afterwards? I learned from the best. Thank you. Happy. I love it. Both of our neckbeards are looking beautiful today. Clay, I heard you say you were going to do a shaving tutorial on your last live. Chatty Trader. No, that was just a step-by-step. How to grow a neckbeard. 1, don't shave it. That's the first step in growing a neck beard. Do not shave it. It was perfect time to pick up shares and contracts. Yes, AMC Trapper. And guys, we are already back up almost 10% from the low this morning. Think about that. Down at 42, already up almost $4. I have no money left to buy more shares. Sunena, it's okay. Down 18.20 from the top to bottom of the past 5 and a half trading days. $9 upswing, most likely, in my opinion. Ice cream. We could see it happen, man. A $9 swing would not be crazy if we go up $9. I don't think that's going to be too crazy. I thought so. Thanks. Sorry if that question seemed a little obvious. No, you're good, man. Any questions are good questions, guys, please. 200-ish viewers, up 70-ish from LW. Start in the AMs. Last week, started in the AMs. Rocket. Slowly but steadily growing. Not only our portfolios, but the viewers in the live stream. I like it, guys. Thank you very much. And Rocket, thank you for the super chat, Rocket. I appreciate that. I already saw what you had to say, so thank you for all of that. And yes, we are doing very good, guys. Thank you for tuning in here. We have a lot of fun. If you don't know it, we are live streaming in the mornings from roughly 9:30 to noon. We break for a 3-hour lunch. You got to eat a lot of food during the day, right? And then 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time, power hour, and then an hour after hours. Charles Winkler and his friends started themselves and temporarily MIA while they clean up their mess. Enjoy the break. Yes, do it. Do not forget how much we're up year to date. Joe, I never forget how much we're up year to date. I hope that everybody else also does not forget how much we're up. Ton of shills in there, so I'm back to fight these moss. My gosh. All right, well, maybe they left. Muted? Who? Me? You? I'm not muted, am I? Poor Matt, he's cleaning up the wet floor right now. Ah, Matt. Come on, you'll be okay. Getting the offensive. Who can buy just chip in the buy? Bring the war to their shores. The Xiao. Yes, do that. Not exactly sure I understood it, but do it. Retail has so much money. We are dominating. Yes, we are. Do you have some sort of education in stocks, or is everything just for fun? Yes. I don't have any options right now, so I'm not checking the chart a lot. Dude, good. That's a good strategy, Irving. That's a good strategy. If you're not taking advantage of the volatility, if you're not day trading, then we just hang out during the day, man. It's not something that you have to chart, or that you have to check every day. The chart is down 4K, but up 300% year to date. No doubts on this squeeze. Lex Luthor, I like it, dude. The squeeze is making me hurt my pina colada like you don't understand. I've been holding for 4 months. Juan, why does your pina colada hurt, man? You pronounce my name correctly. Wow, good. I know it's a difficult name to pronounce. Come on now. It really is. If AMC hits 666, I will come to the States and buy you a drink. Lemonade or iced tea would be my preference. Janice, do you have any education besides Shilling 101? Matt, I don't know if Janice is necessarily shilling. I think she's just a little bit concerned. I don't think she's like the other people that were in here that just come in and say to sell AMC and get out, and they're all worried. I think she just got some legitimate concerns, and that's what we're here for, man. We're here to address, we're doing a Q&A. We're here to address the concerns and make sure that everybody at least is comfortable with what they're investing at this point. Clay likes to drink virgin. Clay likes to drink virgin. Irving. Yes, I would prefer a virgin lemonade, please. Janice, we are here for fun. And Janice is having a lot of fun. Janice is having a lot of fun with us. Who are you, Natalie? Are you his girlfriend? Because it looks like you're defending him. Like, I don't know what. I'm a guy. Well, it's all right. Janice is a guy. Janice is a girl. We're all good. And, it's hard. Guys, I'm telling you right now. Janice, you're in the right place, man. So it's okay. I'm a dude. You're a dude. He's a dude. She's a dude. We're all dudes. See you, Abe's, at the early AMC movie screening tonight in Ohio. Which one, King Vortex? Don't tell me. I don't want to know. I'm a bro. You're a bro. He's a bro. She's a bro. We're all bros. Janice is, she's living. Guys, Janice is fine. Janice is fine. I'm a dude. He's a dude. She's a dude. We're all dudes. Absolutely. Fake apes don't scare me. They do not scare me. Clay, your live chat has been moving faster in the past couple of months. Your YouTube popularity is growing, possibly. Brett, Texas! Thank you for the super chat. Brett, let's see what Brett's got to say. Clay, quick clarification. If we discovered you had been paid to tell people to sell a stock, would that be a felony? I don't think that would be a felony. No. The answer is no. I don't think that's a felony. But then again, I don't know, man. I don't know. I can tell you to buy a stock, that's bad news. I can tell you to sell a stock, that's bad news. But here's what I can just tell you. Don't reasonably rely on my opinion alone. Fact check it. If I tell you to sell a stock, don't reasonably rely on that. If I tell you to buy a stock, don't reasonably rely on that. If I tell you to buy a pyramid post-squeeze, don't reasonably rely on that. What you should reasonably rely on is your own opinion based on all the external factors that you take in during the day and forming your own decision based on that. Is it a felony to work for the hedgies, bro? It might be one day because they might be going down. Irving, don't be depressed. Sending hugs, yes. I didn't see it until now. That dude, Pink Apes in the chat, for hitting 25. Wow, Matt Perry, thank you very much, man. I appreciate that. I think we hit it yesterday. I'm not exactly sure. 100,000, no less. Baby Jesus has been on 100,000 since day one. I know Baby Jesus is holding to 100,000. Whether he misses out or whatever, he's definitely doing it. Love your energy, especially on these bloody red days. Thank you, Salvador. Thank you for being in here. Clay, my favorite non-financial advisor. Trace, appreciate that, man. Janice, something. Abe just had a little chart. Okay, well, that's good. Trust Clay on hair tips for sure. Yeah, guys, if you want to know how to hold, I can tell you on that one. Where can I get a good deal on a pyramid, Clay, bro? Ask Brett. He's going to be the post-squeeze pyramid dealer. Brett has the best deals on pyramids for sure. Shayna, XO, I like it. Hi, Rocket. What's going on? And Mysterious MM is back pumping that stablecoin stock again. APTY. It's a copy and paste. So, Mysterious, come up with something a little bit more original next time. Don't just copy and paste it. You can say it there. Realize the volume now is much lesser compared to the first hour. And it typically is. DCL. It typically is much lower during the day. The first half hour of trading and the last half hour of trading typically have higher volume. She did. Very interesting. It's funny that you guys trying to roast me when you're probably 30 to 40-year-old men sitting with stocks all day. Nobody's trying to roast you. I already said, like, guys, behave. Janice is fine. Roast me instead. Latino Heat. Thank you very much for the super sticker, Latino Heat. We got... Thank you very much for the super sticker, Latino Heat. I appreciate that one. I think that is by far your favorite one. ClayBro, make a hair clay named Irving. A hair clay named Hold. I like that. All you really need is to buy like a good hair clay or paste or whatever you want to call it and get a nice sticker for the little container and call it Hold. I like it, dude. I like it. Irving, I'm on it. Somebody go on Alibaba and find me somebody that's going to sell me a lot of hair clays or clay hairs or gels or paste or whatever you want to call them. Somebody go on Alibaba right now and find that out for me. Bounce from 45 now. We might be... Listen, are we going to bounce off this $45 line here and go higher? A trend line seems to be holding strong. I haven't been following this Janus drama, but I don't know if stating someone's age and that they own stocks is much of a burn. Not for you, because you're a professional burner, Brett. But it might be in some cases. You didn't do the super chat right. You have water coming out of your mouth. Gary, I cannot make water come out of my mouth, man. I cannot do it. I know, I do it to the best of my abilities. What up, ClayBro? Just woke up and saw a sea of red in my portfolio. Bought more on the fire sale. Jesse, yes, there is a sea of red in the portfolios right now. I don't even want to pull it up. ClayBro for men. AMC Trapper. What am I? Is that body wash? Or what am I selling ClayBro for men? Like I'm slightly concerned with that one, but I think that people might be onto it. I think they might like it. Let's go above 50. Let's do it, du xiao xiao. I want to see it tomorrow. We'll decimate the hedgies. I like it. I build my pyramids pointy side down so I can walk above the village idiots. AMC smartest investment in the market, just in case. That's a tough build, man. That is a very tough build. Soon enough, I'll be a 30 to 40-year-old man holding pogs and toe rings. Dude, if you hold pogs and toe rings, you will control the market. I'm telling you. That is one of the best investments you can make. Pogs and toe rings are going to be where it's at in about a year and a half. Take my word for it. Drop your screen down, up, swing is about to go off the chart. Nice call. Thank you very much, Ice Cream. Appreciate that. We're back at it again. Come on, AMC. Let's see it. Let's make it happen. Yeah, AMC Trapper, you got me a little concerned on that one, dude. I don't know. ClayBro for men. I'm going to have to do some very creative marketing with that one because that one can be misconstrued very quickly. Welcome. Absolutely, Ice Cream. Give it a strong reversal hammer close. The hammer of the apes will strike fear into the hedgies. Hopefully. I don't think hedgies get scared that easily, though, guys. I really don't think they do. When you control billions of dollars of other people's money, I feel like you wake up in the face of danger every single day. Do it like a brother, do it like a dude. Yes, Happy, yes. Do it like a brother, do it like a dude. That's my... Happy, is that my marketing slogan for ClayBro for men? ClayBro for men. Do it like a brother, do it like a dude. Would you buy it? That's all I need to know. Whatever I'm holding right here. Would you buy it? ClayBro for men. Do it like a brother. Do it like a dude. I think it's brilliant. Personally, I think it's brilliant. Man. I like it, Happy. I'm on it. Right now, they're losing billions of dollars of other people's money. Yeah, true. And they're going to go out of business. Huang Dao. How many shares of AMC stock are you holding? Huang Dao, thank you very much for asking. I am holding shares of AMC stock. I do not want to influence anybody to hold more shares, hold less shares. And if you guys want to discuss that amongst yourselves, absolutely. But I do not feel comfortable answering that specifically because I do not want to influence you to do something that you otherwise wouldn't do. Latino Heat, thank you very much for the super chat. I appreciate that. Latino Heat says, Clay, thank you for being my favorite adult entertainer. That's what I'm here for, guys. That is what I'm here for. I think we have enough to buy a congressman or two. That's exactly what they're saying, Brett. That's exactly what they're saying. They are not scared. I would read the reviews first before my purchase. Somebody come up with some fake reviews really quick for King Vortex. We need some fake reviews on that. It's Clay, can you sell hair? Clay, you can sell hair clay in Mexico as well. Call it Clay Poppy. Caesar, very good. I think we might be like you guys all ask what's going to happen post AMC Squeeze. I think we're forming some brilliant ideas right now. We've got ClayBro for men, we've got Clay Poppy in Mexico, and we've got Hold by ClayBro. I like it. It's doing like a brother different than doing it like a dude. Natalie, you're just going to have to buy the product and find out. Happy is sold. She says, I'm sold on that one. She's buying for sure. It's called edging, and it's very popular. I like it. It's a trap question anyways. Just hold. Might be a trap question. I don't know. I might have missed the question. More than one, but less than 1 million. Very good range. Clay keeps it sexy for the Mexi. Good morning, Clay. Great facts, brother. Big Leonard. Good morning to you as well. Thank you for being in here. I appreciate that. ClayBro for men. Warning, you may have to call the doctor after being up for 4 hours. That might be one of the reviews that you guys can see coming on for ClayBro for men. They totally would really bring it down, possibly. Marky, thank you for the super chat, Marky. Let's see what Marky's got to say, guys. I sold. I'm out of 5 shares to cover a debit balance. There's a little for the chipmunks, almond, and fancy nuts. No, I'm not out. I'm all in. Perfect, Marky. Perfect. Thank you very much. And yes, almonds and some fancy. He does like almonds, but he does not like walnuts and he does not like pistachios. He really likes sunflower seeds and almonds at this point. Sunflower seeds, I believe, are his go-to, and almonds are his second. At least what I'm learning about this little guy. It's 8:01, guys. It is. Where you at, dude? You must be in California, Clay. Let's see those feet. I'm wearing socks. You can't see them. Huang Dao, it's like asking a man the size of his cocktail. None of your business unless you're about to take it. Or, maybe more appropriately referenced, as like asking a man the size of his bank account, or how far in debt he's in, or his net worth. You can do it, but I mean, until Forbes is reporting it, I mean, it's just maybe let it go. I don't have a problem with it though, guys. If you want to ask each other, or you guys want to shout it out in the comments how many you guys got, I just don't want to influence anybody to do anything that you wouldn't otherwise do. Clay selling Neckbeard Sweat as a cologne. It's Cookie and Lauren approved. And if it's Cookie and Lauren approved, guys, that means you should definitely buy it. Neckbeard Sweat. I should come out with a line of like beard oils and hair clays or hair pastes following the squeeze. And, you know, neckbeard. It could just be called. The beard oil could be called neckbeard, and the hair clay could be called hold. I like it. I like it a lot, guys. I think you're onto something that's actually going to catch on and work out. So thank you for all of these beautiful ideas. Clay is holding 69 shares. King Vortex might also be holding 69 shares. I see a lot of them in the chat right now. Sorry, it was me. I brought the shills from Yahoo Finance. Marky, it is okay. We can handle the shills from Yahoo Finance, from Bloomberg, from Financial Times, from Reuters, from Morningstar, from MarketWatch, from Motley Fool. We can handle them from everywhere. Bring them on. I'm 8 shares away of reaching my goal of 14xx. Nice, Ted. Nice. ClayBro, for men may turn you into an ape and cause neckbeard. Use at your own risk. Doc, I like it. I like it. You guys would come up with the best reviews. Even if they were fake reviews, I still think people would get a kick out of it and like it. AMC, what's your thought for the rest of the week? Goku! Glad to have you in here, Goku. Always glad to have you. My thought for the rest of the week, hopefully we can continue to go up, right? I really don't know where it's going to go. Lauren, sounds nice. Lauren sounds nice. Lauren does sound nice. Lauren sounds like a very nice lady, doesn't she? She's just... Lauren is a darling. Friendly reminder that we're down 20% this week. If a hedge fund shorted at $10, they're down 350%. If they can cover right now without impacting the price, they can't. They can't. Brett, thank you for the friendly reminder. I believe a lot of people easily forget that. Goku instantly gets a wrench. Goku might instantly get a wrench. I'm just saying, guys. I'm just saying I'm between 30 and 40, and I hold stocks. Yes, Matt Perry is between 30 and 40 and holds stocks. Hedge funds are hammering out of the dark pool. Are they, Dave? Is that where they're doing all this action from? We're closing above 50. I want to see it, AMC Trapper. I don't think it's impossible to close above 50 today. I had a break from Galactic Finance. As he said, margin and leverage are the same thing. What is going on? American Virtual. I don't know, man. I don't know. If? Oh, how would we constantly get one of his name? He would instantly get one if his name was Kakarot. Yeah, but it's not. It's a Kakarot. Over 65% on Dark Pool so far. You're welcome, April. Did not see. Oh. Thanks, Ted. I didn't see what Ted said before that, but April is welcome. Ted, nice guy. I bet that AMC closes above 60 today. Do you have Xiao Xiao? Might. Expect the unexpected. Ooh, I like it. We should expect the unexpected. And was anybody expecting a dip to 42 today? Hedge funds are hemorrhaging money, and we're just over here just waiting for them to lose. Can you explain how or not the dark pool trading can affect the price? Steven, yeah. Dark pool trading is basically, the hedge funds, the institutions, they go on there and trade amongst themselves, and then not prior to the trade happening, like you don't get to see the trades come across, but after the trade happens on a dark pool, it's reported to the ticker tape, and you get to see it after it happens. So it could affect the price post-trade instead of affecting the price like pre-trade or during the trade. Bingo, Brett. Bingo. Matt Perry, I'm holding and until I'm 40 to 50 and holding stocks if that's what it takes. Yeah, you got to hold till you're 40 to 50, man. Don't do it while you're 30 to 40. Which I hadn't been holding for so long, I could buy at 42. John, it's all right. You might be able to buy more one day. If you can't, it's okay, man. Hedge funds don't stand for hedge fund. It stands for hefty fine. Ooh, I like it. HF doesn't stand for hedge fund anymore. It stands for hefty fine. SEC should disable dark pool AMC trades. King Vortex. I really don't like dark pools to begin with. I think that, I understand the fact that they want these institutions to be able to go out and trade the stock, but, if I was out there trading $200 million worth of stock, I can't trade it on a dark pool. I have to go out there and trade it just like you guys. So I don't think that it's fair. I do think that they should get rid of dark pools, but I don't think that they're as scary as a lot of people say. Adam Aaron Super Bowl, all locations in theaters, food and beverages. Justin, yeah, you were saying that yesterday. If Adam Aaron's watching, talk to Justin. He's got some good ideas. Have you been getting spam on your comments, Clay? Trey posted about it. Chad, in here, or are you talking comments on my videos? Because I constantly have spam comments on my videos that I post. And there's been a little bit of shills in here this morning, like a little bit of bots, I would say. Super Bowl noise, absolutely. Starting to think that shorts are getting a bad rap. They keep dipping it so we can buy more, though it digs their grave even deeper. Dude, I love it. I love it when we see some dips. I love it when they continue to short the stock and dig that hole even deeper for themselves. I just want to see it go. Comments on video. Oh, yeah, Chad, I get comments on my videos all the time, man. All the time. I got scared today, but I remember to hold like you said. Got in at 11 thanks to the girlfriend. Very nice, Noah. That's a good girl you got there, man. Dark pools should be illegal. Imagine betting in a whole game of poker without being allowed to see your hands. Yeah, exactly, Adam. Now, you can see the trades that come across after the trade is made, but I don't think it's fair. Just kidding. Oh, Drew, okay. I missed it. What Drew was saying there. Noah Bailey, I love the energy. Absolutely. Hey, Clay, when do you think those FTDs are going to be enforced? Joey, FTDs are always enforced, right? FTDs typically don't have a shelf life where they can sit out there and live. But I don't think it's something that's going to drive the price up either. I don't think 13 million shares is enough demand that we're going to see a very large increase in the price. Apes are holding and buying here in Singapore. Very nice, Jonathan. Singapore all the way. Singapore's a beautiful country. I think, so I'm pretty sure my Streamlabs viewer count locked up. How many people are in here? It says 194, but I think it locked up. How long after the trade is made did the dark pool get reported? Stephen, sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. It's like 30 seconds. 30 seconds or 90 seconds. I forget exactly what it is, but it's very quick, man. It's very quick. It's might as well be immediately reported to the ticker tape. Also, Charles Williams is the type of guy who doesn't wash his hands after number 2. Oh, goodness. 159 watching? Alright, cool. Yeah, for some reason, Streamlabs locked up. How many likes we got? Up to 24 hours. Up to 24 hours to be reported. American Virtual, I don't know if it's 24 hours, man. I really don't know if it's 24 hours. I think that might be too long. You can go double check me if I'm wrong on that, but the stuff that I've read on it, it's supposed to be very quick to get reported after that. 202. Nice, Trace. Thank you very much. M. James is in the house. Retracted messages right from the start. I like it. I'm sitting on 115 shares of 1579. I am not sweating. Neither am I. Adam, check it out. I'm not sweating either. I'm doing good. My dark pools serve a purpose in that they let large size trades without spooking the market or giving away large positions. Yeah, American Virtual. That's the purpose that they serve. But the average dark pool trade now is only 200 shares. So I wouldn't consider that a very large trade. And, you're still going to get spooked when you see that trade come in afterwards. Like, it doesn't do anything. It just spooks the market after the trade comes in, and everybody else doesn't get to take advantage of the fact that the market wasn't spooked. This came in. If you Google dark pools, volume of 24 hours, you'll see that the volume may be reported right away, but parts of it reported later. I don't know at all. Oh, American version, yeah, man. I don't know everything either, but Clay didn't wash his hands after he peed yesterday. Trace, yes, I did. Come on now. Chewing gum is illegal in Singapore. I don't know if that's true or not, but if it is, that's crazy. I just tweeted your hold by ClayBro hair. I like it, Irving. I like it, man. Did you tag me? I need to see this. Sitting on 480 shares, 1170. Holding till the moon. Cracker Mac, I like it. Very nice, man. Good portfolio. Yeah, we don't chew gum. Dude, Xiao, why? Files have been coming out that 92% of dark pool trades are not properly reported. Interesting. Interesting. Where are these reports coming from? Because, guys, I know, I saw something on Twitter. I don't spend my whole day on Twitter, but I saw something on Twitter yesterday or the day before about some Stephanie girl that is like the dark pool queen or a stock whisperer or something like that. Be careful. It's terrible about gum, but why? Why though? DFC, really? This is true? It is illegal to chew gum in Singapore? I'm going to keep the city clean. Yeah, dude, but keep the city clean with trash cans. Or respectful people. not allowing you to chew gum. It's sort of, I guess, man, strange. Well, Cracker Mac, you should not be spitting gum on the sidewalk. Like, you just shouldn't be doing that. But, you know, chew gum and then spit it out at home or put it in a trash can. Like, that's just common sense, people. But what happens if Citadel goes down? Who takes over? I don't know. There's plenty of hedge funds out there, King Vortex. It doesn't have to be, you know, Citadel doesn't control everything. Citadel's actually like a relatively small hedge fund. BlackRock might take all of their money from them, you know? Who knows? 70, yeah, she was a guest speaker on Matt's channel. Wasn't impressed. Natalie, I did not see her on Matt's channel, but I did come across her on YouTube or on Twitter yesterday or the day before, and I don't know, guys. Just be careful. Trash cans are the answer to littering. Well, people being respectful is the answer to littering, but yeah, trash cans are better than making it illegal. Why doesn't the gum industry simply lobby your government to change the law? Brett, very good. I don't know if they make enough money over there in Singapore. We'll find out. What about the Stephanie chick? What about her, Biff? Donkey juice makes your spit? What? They should have good teeth then. They might. Mexico City is a horrible, horrible problem with chewing gum stuck all over the place. Ryan, why don't these people just put it in trash cans? Bigger market than an investor. They're a bigger market maker than investor. Yeah. If you're talking about if you're talking about Citadel, American Virtual, I might be losing the chat a little bit. Gum taxes too little. Our ciggies are revenue generator, which does more harm to our health, and they don't ban it. Xiao, that is nuts, man. Cigarettes are fine, but chewing gum is not. Yeah, I don't trust that woman. I saw her get interviewed somewhere. I didn't see the interview. I just saw her stuff on Twitter, and I'm like, weird. She did give a lot of useful information. Stock Whisperer. Did you see the interview? AMC Trapper? I didn't see it. But here's the deal, man. Here's the only thing that I would be worried about something like that is, like, why is she holding herself out to be the only one who actually knows of what's going on with the dark pools? If nobody knows what's going on with it, but she's the only one and she's got the lowdown, just be careful. I didn't see the interview, though, so I'm strictly talking based on all of the Twitter posts and the stuff I saw on Twitter. I've heard chewing gum gives you gas. I don't know about that. Chewing gum is healthy for your teeth. Today's fact, the term lobbyist came from people meeting government officials in lobbies to bribe them and have off-the-record conversations. Brett, that's a very good fact of the day. I like it. And Natalie says, no thank you to that. Please watch the interview. When was it, AMC Trapper? I know that Matt's got a crap ton of videos, and I don't know what his title looked like or what the thumbnail looked like to be able to go in and find it pretty easily. Did you get a termination letter from YouTube about your channel? Nick! No. Come on now. Why would they want to terminate the ClayBro YouTube channel? I did some research on Stephanie and came to the conclusion that she is most likely a scam artist. Will send links to Matt Perry. M. James, send them to me too, man. Come on now. Should I get a perm? Do it. Matt, your hair's not long enough to get a perm, dude. Come on. Guys, man. Dio Xiao Xiao, I've not seen any comments about Lou. Sorry. I really liked her. That's one. The ones that didn't are the liberals because she's political. Interesting, Kelly. Interesting. I'll send it to your Twitter. Oh, thank you very much, Trapper. That'll save me from having to go and search for it because I have no idea. Searching through somebody's archive videos or like, you know, just because they title it something, title of the video something doesn't mean that that's what it's about or anything like that. On a ghost call from cannabis distributor to lobbying firm in my state. Very, very real. Interesting. The hat keeps it under wraps. Well, shoot, Matt Perry. That I did not know then. Thoughts on Clove? Be careful with it, but you can make some money in some intraday swings if you're out there trying to take advantage of some volatility. Gathering groups of more than 3 is also illegal in Singapore. I know this because my girlfriend's husband. Interesting, Latino. Interesting. Wait. Clay, I have a banger of a photo for you. Please hold. All right, now we're going to be careful with this one. He said, week MC the hedgies. He said this week, MC the hedgies. Oh, margin called the hedge. Ah, Lou, or Xiao. Now I didn't see what you were talking about, but now I see the Lou versus Wall Street. Yeah. Here's the deal, man. Here's the deal, and I'm just going to be blunt and mean. I don't know if this is disrespectful for anybody else, but Lou versus Wall Street, man. If he's telling you that it's going to be this week and it's not this week, he's got 50,000 subscribers, all right? So if you watch Lou versus Wall Street, subscribe to my channel. I don't have 50,000 yet. I did not tell you that it was going to be this week. If he's wrong and he's continuing to do some weird stuff over there, unsubscribe to his channel and subscribe to mine. Or continue to subscribe to his channel and subscribe to mine. And anybody else that is giving you false expectations and building you up to think that something is going to happen and then it doesn't happen, hold them accountable, please. That is enough. It's Lou to be trusted. Ha ha ha. Probably not. Irving, they've changed their look. They wear suits instead of eye patches and drink champagne instead of rum. We got some pirates in the house. The name Wall Street got it because a long gone wall was erected in the 17th century by Dutch settlers in the intent of keeping the British and pirates. Nice, Irving. You guys are on. You guys know. If this is all true, man, you guys know so much stuff. Change their look. They wear suits instead of, yes, they do, eye patches. I got the vibe from her about the hedgies. If you can't beat them, join them. She's very hardened. Well, if you can't beat them, that's just nonsense because we can beat them. We can beat them. It might just be my personality, but I'm never going to join somebody because I can't beat them. Like, that's just not going to happen. It might be a good thing, might be a bad thing. I don't know, but not going to happen. My brother lost 4,000 on Clove because of Lou. Come on now. Shiver me, scurry. Yes. Glay, check our DMs, but ADHD, check that DM. Matt Perry, my tablet's over there, man. I might go grab it in a minute, but I thought I brought it over here this morning, but apparently I didn't. Oh, you know what? I was sitting out on the patio and looking outside. That's why I took it back over there, and it's sitting over there by the couch. Clove is the only reason my options are positive. I like it. We get some put options on Clove. Is that what we're talking about, Matt? Just bought another 35 shares. 40 yesterday. I buy. Buy, apes, buy. This is nothing when you're in Bitcoin. We can beat them. Yeah, David, if you're used to being in Bitcoin, you're used to price swings like this. Absolutely. Shruti! What's going on, Shruti? Brother Man Ben, we got Brother Man Ben in the chat right now. I see it. Good morning to you, Brother Man Ben. Holding XXXX shares till the moon. Arwen, nice. In my opinion, Clove was an example of a pump and dump. Yes, so the Nazis took control. It might be Irving. I might have missed it before, though. Cookie's in the chat. Cookie's in the chat. Cookie, how are you doing today? Hopefully you're having a wonderful morning. I'm the real M. James. What? Brother Man Ben is the real M. James, guys. Uh-oh. We have an imposter M. James in the house? I don't know. Bought more. What a sale. Psycho. Yeah. And hey, we don't know if the sale's over or not. Okay. We do not know if the sale is over. But it proved to be a decent sale this morning. I sent it, ClayBro. Perfect. AMC Trapper. Thank you. It sounds like I'm going to have a lot of DMs to check after the live stream today. I held on to my shares during the flash crash of 2010. American Virtual, if you held on to your shares of the flash crash in 2010, I believe that you were easily going to be able to hold on to your shares of AMC down 10%. I sent a clip. Yeah, got that. American Virtual's definition of diamond hands. We should all follow American Virtual's lead. I got the dip. Ronald, very nice. Put that investment money in today on... Put the retirement money in today on discount. Nice, M. James. Hope when I wake up, AMC above 60. Dio Xiao Xiao. Me too, man. Well... What time is it in Singapore? It's probably pretty late for you. You might be waking up, what? A little after the market, like after hours for us? Sounds like you're going to be waking up after hours for us. Door-to-door vaccination checkups coming to your neighborhood, providing they can shove that poison. Yeah, Cracker Mac. I'm not going to tell you to get a vaccine or not get a vaccine, but that sounds a little weird. Door-to-door checks, that's... probably not gonna happen. Sup, bro? You think we apes having a bad day? LOL. I say no, but the hedgies, yes, they're having a real bad day. That's why AMC is down. Jonathan, we're not having a bad day, man. We're doing good. AMC's on sale. My goal is to own XNXX shares. Interesting. Brotherman Ben, autocorrect. Sorry. XXXX shares. Nice, Brotherman Ben. 11:23 p.m. now. 12 hours ahead of me. Very nice, Yao Xiao. My goal is to own Citadel. I like Irving's goal there. Let's just take everything that Citadel's got. Let's own them for everything that they're worth. That should be everybody's top priority, is taking over Citadel. Anybody heard from Jamal lately? I've not seen Jamal in the chat in probably close to a week. And I don't know if anybody else has heard from him or not. I just wanted to know. Sounds a little yeah, sweet Connie. Sounds a little weird. I don't think they were going to see anything like that. Brotherman Ben, I plan to buy some no autocorrect here. Lex Luthor dabbing on that one. AMC is sus. AMC is sus? Really? COVID-19 door check. Biden proposed it last night. Chris, if that's the case, man, I don't know about that. If that is true, I don't know about that one. That's not going to happen. That's not going to happen where I live. I can guarantee you that's not going to happen where I live. Jamal. Now he will come. He will show up. You say Jamal 3 times in a row. Guess who shows up? Jamal shows up, ladies and gentlemen. AMC is at a discount right now. Mr. Gene, it absolutely is. It seems like they learned how to mitigate the damage by dragging their heels on their rebuys. Dylan, I don't think they're learning that as we go. They're very smart people. Send out the call. All right, we will get Jamal in the house right now. I know he's listening as he goes. Sydney Mick. Is she going to show up? We will find out. My goal is for Brett and Rocket to be my neighbor. Wouldn't that be... Listen, I don't know if you guys are actually going to be neighbors one day or not, but wouldn't that be awesome? If you guys all built pyramids somewhere on the mountainside in Colorado and you guys were all neighbors and you guys just all had sweet pyramids and stuff, that would be very cool. Did it work, Matt Perry? I don't know. We had a tiny pullback like Clay's hairline. Exactly, Chatty Trader. Nothing to worry about. Guys, this is not... I will address. There's more FUD being spread about my hairline than I've ever seen on AMC. This is not a receding hairline, guys. This is just a nice, deep widow's peak, man. That's all you got here. No receding hairline whatsoever. It's all good. And stop spreading the FUD about the hairline, man. No, she's still in Arkansas. Darn it! WTF is the internet. I don't know, Irving, but one day we will figure it out. I'm going to build an igloo in Colorado. Brotherman Ben, you can build that igloo right next to M. James and Brett's pyramid. Was that a Chewbacca call? No, Cookie. That was the Jamal call. That's the Jamal call. You don't know about that? This is how the compound is pronounced. I like it. Mysterious, copying and pasting your APTY promo again. Get it, man. Get it. Yes, of course they know. I am saying I really doubt they will underestimate the ape retail investors like they did last time. I think it's going to be way longer process than GME. Dylan, yeah, I don't think that they underestimate us, and I also don't think that they're just going to give in and let this thing happen. So I would say, yeah, this thing could take a while, but when it happens, it's going to be very, very nice. I love the hair, Clay. Unique and stylish. Shady Trader, thank you very much. I appreciate that. Hey, bro, trying to spread FUD during this time. I noticed a lot of the so-called ape YouTubers don't come out when in doubt. ClayBro, real ape. All day long, man. All day long. Appreciate that, Nufo. No FUD there, man. I got you. I will hold my position for however long it takes to hit my target. Dylan, I love... That's what I like to hear, man. That's what I like to hear. Shorts have covered less than how much Clay's hair is covering his head. Brother man Ben, yeah. So that means that we have plenty of room on the short shares out there. Tattoo the hairline. Interesting strategy there, Arwen. I don't know about that. Clay has a hairline like Vegeta, and they're both BA mothers. That is, look, yeah. I got a hairline just like Vegeta. If you don't know my, which is, for those of you that don't know Vegeta could potentially be my father. I know it is not Citadel, and I know it is not Janet Yellen, because I've never seen Brett before. But Vegeta could potentially be my father, guys. Who's gonna make fun of this dude right here? Nobody. Gonna mess with Vegeta. Buying Ken Griffin's hair post squeeze. I like it, Brett. Make that into a nice toupee, my man. They're just gonna shave it off for lice check. Who goes to jail anyway? Exactly, Brett. And then you can buy that bad boy and use it as a toupee. Clay, get a forehead tattoo. Jobs love that. Chatty Trader, I should get on that. Brett Passeri, a.k.a. the synthetic Brett, a.k.a. the non-naked Brett. Mr. Passeri, thank you very much for the super sticker. Hopefully that was a decent impersonation of the super sticker there. I appreciate that very much, Brett. I like it. Hopefully you liked it as well. Are you in Burrito? Am I in Burrito? I understand the disbelief and fear this morning with AMC holders. Please learn more about what and why we're holding. This happens to be the best opportunity. Buy more if possible and hold. Jaga. Yes, just learn more, guys. That's what you need to do. Brother Ben says, Clay, you should shave your head bald, just leaving the letters AMC. Brother man Ben, maybe if we go up to $1,000 or something, but that's not going to happen just for the fun of it. Because if I shaved my head, you know how the Ape Father shaved AMC to Pluto in his chest? You guys would not like it if I shaved my head bald and did AMC. Now, however, if I did like a nice tight side on the hair and left some AMC in there, I may be able to do that. May be able to do that. May be able to do that just for fun. Actually. Now I'm thinking about it. Now I'm thinking about that. Now I might want to do it. I don't know. Should I do it? Will you guys give me like 100,000 views? Because, you know, Matt can sit there all day and get 100,000 views, no problem. If I shaved AMC into the side of my head, will you guys give me 100,000 views? If yes, maybe I'll do it. Clay, seriously, Google tattoo hairline. It looks pretty good. Erwin, I'm not going to Google that right now, but I might have to see what's going on with that. But I like my hairline, dude. When you're 32, but your hairline is 52. Just kidding. Natalie. Clay, do you ever get tired of us? M. James, no, dude. Wow, if I got tired of you, I wouldn't be here. That's easy enough. Do you get tired of me? If you, Now M. James has me a little bit concerned. He thinks that I might be getting tired of you, but now I need to know, like, do you get tired of me? Because if you get tired of me, I'm kind of scared. Don't do it, Clay Bay. Cookie. Gotta do it for the gram. Gotta do it for the gram. In this case, you gotta do it for the views. You gotta do it for the views. We're gonna shave AMC right into the side of my head right there. We'll go for it. 100,000. If you don't get 100,000 views, I'm just growing it back. That's all I'm doing. Growing right back. Let's do it together. Let's do it, Leonard. I'll give you a sub right now. You're gonna give me a sub if I shave my head? Dude, click the subscribe button and get your name up at the top of the thing. Brittany was the last subscriber to the channel. That was like 18 hours ago. Do some work, guys. Number 4 YouTube. No! Number 4, we'll make you go viral if you do it. Trapper says I'm going viral if I shave AMC into the side of my head. I think I'm going to do it, guys. I think I'm going to do it. JK, you're still number 3. Good. At least I'm not going down. M. James, one day I will go back up to number 2 and then all the way to number 1. Clay, you're a cutie as is. April, thank you very much. Would I be a cutie if I shaved AMC in the side of my head? What's for lunch, bro? Dude, I've had eggs like every day for like the last 5 or 6 days. I'm thinking I may do a quesadilla today because I've had eggs for quite some time. You gonna post maybe some chapstick? Dylan, I got some chapstick, dude. Look. Look, right here, man. Chapstick. Right here. If anybody was worried about me having chapstick. Dude, I got so much in these cargo pants. These cargo short pockets that you guys don't even know what I got in here. Like, if you need it, I've got it. Keep that in mind. Clay, the line ran out. Draw another one, please. Oh, this one. We got a slight downtrend here, though, man. We got a slight downtrend, Chatty. What if we just do this? That's a really... that's too narrow for me, but... I don't like that one, but that's what we got right now. Chapstick is a scam. It only makes your lips more chapped. Interesting, Irving. Sup, my guy? It's all about diamond hands, baby. Ajmawi. Yes, it is all about diamond hands. We be smelling those eggs from over here after you eat them. I can imagine AMC Trapper. So hopefully the... What do I have? I got some chicken. I can make oh, I'm getting hungry again. I can make a chicken quesadilla post live stream this morning. Oh, did he just say he's having a quesadilla? I did. Quesadilla. I don't know why Cookie likes when I say quesadilla, but I will be having a quesadilla for lunch today. Nobody's gotten laid in cargo shorts since Nam. Dylan. Sup, my guy? Yeah, I already read that one. All right, good. Did he just say, yeah, purse pants, Natalie, whatever you want to call him? I've got him. Tomorrow is the day. Threshold Securities. Oh, my goodness. I can't even say your name, dude. I'm very sorry that I can't say your name. Is tomorrow the day? Is tomorrow the day? I need to know. If tomorrow's the day, I'm going to be happy. It's a movie quote. Dude, that's a movie quote? What movie is that from? I need to watch it. Truth, I make an all-natural chapstick that really works. April, how do you make it? You got beeswax or what do you use? By any chance, do you have the Motherball short squeezes in those cargo shorts? Chico, yes, I do. But until these become naked shorts, man, I can't let that out of the pockets. I got the movie quote, but don't worry, super bad. Dang, man. How does everybody know about this stuff except for me? Alejandros, are you from Greece? Alejandros, are you from Greece? Seriously, this movement is just like family. We will lose some people along the way, but family stays strong together. Reminds me of Fast and Furious, man. We're on to something. We are all in a big Fast and Furious movie right now. And it's looking good. Let's go AMC. Yes, but will the effects be tomorrow or Friday? Cook, got it. What did Cookie say? Super bad. Oh, man, everybody knows this stuff. Yes, tomorrow's the day. Brotherman Ben says tomorrow is the day. Interesting, guys. Interesting. Family, Fast and Furious. Absolutely, Irving. That is what we are. We need the squeeze already. Come on, Juan. We need the squeeze already. We need the squeeze already. AMC, it's all about family. It is, Dylan. It is all about family. Hey, I got a question. If we have the squeeze, like, say the squeeze happens today, right? Say I break for lunch and AMC goes to $30,000 and, you know, we all close out of our positions and it's back down to $30 when I come back on the live stream, okay? Let's say it happens and the squeeze is everybody's wanting it. Everybody's wanting it. What are you guys going to be doing? Legitimately post, like, if that happened, if I make that quesadilla, and while I'm eating the quesadilla, it squeezes to 30,000, it sits there for 10 minutes, and then it goes back down to 30 by the time I get back on the live stream. We all close. Yeah, we all close our positions, and we're all sitting on multi-million-dollar accounts, okay? Will you guys even come back on and watch this afternoon? I just need to know. Will you even watch? My financial advisor is Lil Jon. I asked him if I should buy more. He said, yeah. I asked if I should sell. He said, what? I asked him, or told him I'll hold, and he said, okay. Brett, you got the best financial advisor in the world, man. Should I buy more? Yeah. What? Okay. Dude, Clay, yeah, bro. You will? You'll come on? Walking out of my job and going home. Clay, you come off as a fellow CrossFitter. Sergeant Beef. Interesting. You ever heard of Rogue? From my yacht. You're going to be okay, good. You will be watching. RPWF is not watching. He's not tuning back in the afternoon. Interesting. MD definitely will. Happy is going to be watching. Probably not, bro. About to pay off some bills. Well, John will not be watching in the afternoon. Smart ones will come back for future investments with their AMC profits. Shruti is laughing at something. Maybe my Lil Jon impersonation. Lawyerin, I like it. Is there a possibility that you got cords next to your cargo shorts in your wardrobe? No, unfortunately, I do not have any corduroys in the wardrobe. It's limited to one pair of cargo shorts, one pair of jeans, one pair of swimming trunks, and one pair of gray sweatpants. That's my wardrobe, man. Everybody, hey, what is going on? Clay, I will definitely still tune in to hear your thoughts on other stocks after AMC squeezes. Garrett, appreciate that. We're going to get crunk, even Clay, on apple juice. Oh, I do have apple juice in the fridge right now. I'd be here just not working while watching because I would be newly unemployed. I like it. And Aunt Megan would continue to watch. I would because I'm going to super chat all my favorite YouTubers that I learned my info from. AMC Trapper, that'll be fun. I don't even know what some of the super stickers that you guys would come up with would look like during that. I'd be that 50 Cent gif where he laughs and drives off in his car. Cookie's like the GIF queen. I don't know this 50 Cent GIF that we're talking about there. How are you? Happy wants to know how M. James is. I'll watch and wait for another short squeeze possibility. 10. I like it. I will take a few days for the funds to clear, so I'll be watching. Nufo will not be watching next week. You will be watching this week. 30K, you're telling us you'd be back. Dude, Rocket, what am I going to do, man? I'd just be sitting there eating my quesadilla. And I'd be like, oh, yeah, this is pretty cool. And I'd probably call my brother up, maybe call my dad up. They'd be like, oh, yeah, this is really cool. Call my mom up. I think everybody is holding AMC in their portfolios except my grandpa. In my family. I'd call everybody up and be like, did you guys sell? And they'd be like, yeah. And I'd be like, nah, nice. And then I'd finish eating the quesadilla. And, yeah, dude, what else am I going to do? Sit here and be happy by myself? No! I'm going to sit here and be happy with all of you guys. I'd continue to watch because I won't get the money for 3 business days. Brother man, Ben, come on now. After 3 business days, he's out. Clay, yes. Chapstick, shea butter, beeswax, almond oil, vitamin E, and essential oils. Nice, April. I like it. It sounds delicious. You should send me some. I'll use it. Clay, if AMC hits over 9,000, you going to do the Vegeta quote? Irving, absolutely. I will even buy and or make one of those. Oh, man. What were those power meters called? I forget what those power meters were called. I'd even buy one of those, man, and freak out on camera for everybody. I'm cash having you directly, no super chat. AMC Trapper, very good, man. Very good. I'll buy you a Saiyan Scouter to wear. Thank you, Irving. That's what I need. That's what I need. I will, if AMC goes to 9,000, I can guarantee if AMC goes to 9,000, that will be my video for the day. It won't be about how Adam Aaron wants to issue more shares or how there's potentially naked shorts out there or how the media is spreading FUD doing this. It will simply be a very short video, and it will just be me yelling that, like AMC's powering up and it's beyond 9,000. That's it. That's going to be the video that day. I think AMC really has realistic potential to hit 300-ish. I can't see more than that. Theoretically, the sky is the limit, but the sell-offs will come fast and hard around 200, I would bet. Yeah, Dylan, man, the sell-offs are going to come, right? But it depends who the sell-offs go to. If the hedge funds eat up the shares, then yeah, sure, I'm on board with you. But if it's just retail investors buying shares from other retail investors, we still got potential. Days like these, I sleep more. Neil Wolf, good. ClayBro the Saints Scouter. Yeah, I need one of those, man, for that video. If AMC goes past 9,000, that's the only video you guys are getting that day. Buying a 92 Ford Tempo with hand crank windows and tossing Kenny the keys while the repo is Range Rover. I like it, Brett. At least you're looking out for him. Don't know how to spend your newfound wealth? Send it to me, Brother Man Ben. That should also be a very good quote. That should be my motto from here on out. She's going to put 1,000+ minimum. Little apes, just believe it. Or best believe it. Oh, possibly. Swindles. Possibly. We got to wait and find out. Why would he need a car in jail? Also a good question by Rocket there. It's over 9,000 video would be hilarious. John, that's all you guys would get that day. Nothing about FUD or corruption or shares or any news or anything. Just strictly that's it. That's all you guys got. If we can't handle this now, how can we handle 800 to 500 drop and shoots to 1,200 and stay at 600 for weeks in the future? Pokecoin Invest, man. Or Pokecoin Invest. Exactly. That's why these people that are freaking out now when it goes from $70 to $40, they're not going to be the ones that are able to watch it go from 800 to 500 to 1,200. Got dibs on Kenny G's Range Rover already. Nice. I'm pretty sure that there would probably be an ape auction for that car. Just somebody that wants to drive that around and rub it in his face. I'm cracking up. Dude, Irving, it's going to be a good day. I got to do it. Yeah, okay, good. How about 50 by Friday? Michael, we could see it. We could see 60 by Friday. We could see a new high by Friday. Nobody knows what's going to happen in the future. We could see 30 by Friday. Nobody knows where it's going to go. The whole name of the game is to watch this thing play out. Why can't we have a nice green erect line up? Juan, we'll get it, man. We'll get it. I'd buy his mansion, but it's going to cost a fortune to replace all the copper he stripped out of the walls to stay in this thing. It'll be okay, dude. Just replace it with some pecs, and you'll be fine. Clay looks like Chris Pratt. I like Chris Pratt. Chris Pratt's a good guy. I don't know if I look like him or not, but he's a good guy. I think his stock is like... I think of stocks like living organisms, and right now AMC got a little cold, but it's not dead yet. Wait, XNXX has stocks? Mad Medic, dude, where are you in the chat? That was a long time ago. That was a long time ago. I think you needed to leave and come back, dude. You might be like a half hour behind in the chat. $4 share by Friday, buy back in for another 300 shares. Dylan, I don't know if we're going to hit $4 a share by Friday, but yeah. If we do, definitely buy back in for 300 shares. I would condone that sort of activity. Running excavator can only take hands off controls once in a while. Ah, gotcha, Mad Medic. Okay, because I'm sitting here thinking, that was a long time ago that somebody said that, and you might be pretty far back in the chat. I think we close around 50 in a week. He's smoking. Yeah, I don't know, man. You gotta buy the dip. They said you gotta buy the dip that they said that they just paid for. Yes, Jonathan. If we buy the dip that they just paid to bring down, we're gonna be doing good. But I just need to know this now. Is it going to be another slow afternoon? Or are we going to see some action today? Because it looks to me... let's go here. And purple... don't really need that anymore. Yeah, guys, kind of seems to me like this might be what we're looking at today. I don't know. AMC had a little bit of education this week. Yes, Chatty Trader. A little bit of education, and it's going to be all right. I think it's probably sideways until the last 2 hours. I'm thinking so too, Dylan. I think we're going to be in a channel for a while. And T says 352,000 shares returning 3.1 million borrowed today. That is a big difference. That is a very big difference, man. Clay's about that action. Oh yeah, you know it. Show your toes for AMC, Crypto Millionaire. I'm wearing socks, man. You can't see my toes. This is all they got? This is all they got? Yeah, do it live. This is all they got. We can handle it. We blast a lot of rock ledge, putting in septic now. But out of Southern Rhode Island, we're known for our rocks. Well, Mad Medic, good deal, man. Known for his rocks. All right, I like it. When do you think we will be flying in private jets, drinking champagne, and smashing the... Well, one, I don't know if we're going to be doing any of that. Listen, I really do. I like Luca's take. Luca, I don't know if you're still in here. But Luca said, just, man, find yourself a bad mamacita and spend the post-squeeze future traveling the world with that one bad mamacita. I like it, Luca. I like it. I'm on board with that. Showing interest increasing. Goku Cup. Dope. Thank you very much, Chad. Goku on the one side and Vegeta on the other. The fee or interest to hold AMC shares is still 0, folks. Yes, it is. Not education. No, chatty trader. I know, man. I cannot tell if you're being straight. Yeah. No, I knew what you meant. Just be patient and hold. I've been in since January. I just don't want to read some of this stuff out loud because with YouTube transcribing everything, I don't want YouTube to be like, well, what is this chat about? So, like, every minute, I'm going to just have to say AMC, AMC, AMC. If you're scared you're not an 8, this play isn't for you, it might not be. Yes, he is, Clay. Bout that action. About that action, ladies and gentlemen. To be patient and hold. I've been in since January and seen plenty of dips and rips. No one knows when we'll squeeze or how high it will go. Just hold, and if you're scared, then bail. I like it. Swindles. Simple. Luca is in here. Absolutely, man. Find yourself a bad mamacita. Just travel the world with her. So, Luca, imitation. Yes, we need to imitate Luca on that one, guys. Find yourself a bad mamacita. No, that's ClayBro. Irving. That's Luca. Irving, that's Luca. NT with the numbers on the borrowed returns once again. Thank you very much. What was that, mamacita? It's nuts, man. I'm telling you. You got to find yourself a bad mamacita. Travel the world with her. That's all you got to do. Short interest at now, Matt. Are you talking to me? Are you calling me Matt? Or are you talking to Perry? You need a book for all the quotes. Irving, we should get it, man. Stay away from Colombia. David. David. I didn't know David was in here, but yes, David says stay away from Colombia. He's persistent on that one. If you're scared, put just what you won't miss in the stock. Yes, Gene, exactly. Crypto, got socks on, man. I can't. If you're scared, go to church. It might help you. And Mysterious, pumping APTY again. Very good. Uncle Megan wants the toes. Not going to happen. If you're scared and AMC is not for you, absolutely. Clay found his already. Got that bad mamacita. Let me tell you about that right now. Trumps show toes. Everybody wants to see the I don't know who's worse, the Shills this morning or the toes this still this morning, but right now. Clay, I'm really sad. Don't be sad, Chatty. Don't be sad. Much like Chatty Trader, we'll all be known for our rocks soon. Yes, we will all be known for our rocks, guys. Got myself an Ecuadorian mamacita. She calms me down during these AMC tough times. Solzen, I like it. I got myself an Ecuadorian mamacita. We need to know, is she a bad mamacita, Solzen? She sounds like a good one, but is she a bad one? Sensu beans. If you're feeling down, guys, grab some sensu beans, please. I will be in Vegas at the Bad Mamacita competition. Dustin, it's a good place to find one, right? I would really enjoy seeing your toes. Doug, you probably would, wouldn't you? That's the OnlyFans page, so make sure to go check that out. Why they want to see your toes? AMC Trapper, I have no idea, man. I have no idea. I don't know if they're just playing me or if this is actually something true, but strange, isn't it? I could go for some toes. Breck could go for some toes right now. I'm not wearing any toe rings, so I can't show you the toes right now. Do you have a good relationship with Candace? What? I don't even know what we're talking about now. Cut the tips off your socks and let them little piggies wiggle. Oh, you guys are nuts, man. You guys are nuts. I'm telling you, man. Yeah, they lose me sometimes, Matt. They lose me. I don't know. I just realized I was watching Clay from 5 minutes ago. Your hairline is fine. Ryan, thank you. And yes, if you guys... Listen, I don't know where you are in the chat or in the video, but like if you need to leave and come back, for some reason, it lags up, and you have to do that at times. So, I think if you say certain words, like I think if somebody legitimately says the word toes, it brings in like the toe bots. And if you say the word, I don't know, AMC's going down, it brings in the shills. Like I just don't understand where these people come from. Friend's cracking me up more than you. You are on speaker, Clay. Oh, your friend's cracking up more than you. You're on speaker. Well, Shruti, good, man. Hopefully your friend knows that this is an AMC stock-oriented chat. But sometimes, you know, listen, when AMC's just trading sideways like it is right now and nothing's going on, you just gotta have, it's a hangout session. So that's what's going on right now. And yeah, oh, look at that stick. Look at this stick, guys. We're still in the channel, though. I'm gonna be excited if we break out of that channel. Guys, make sure to not bring up the toe bots. Yeah, I think the toe bots come in if somebody mentions toes. Claire, hairline getting affected. Okay, I promise I won't pull it too much next time. Oh my goodness. No, the hairline is it's all good. All good. Let them little piggies wiggle. Aaron. Oh my gosh. Good morning, Mr. Rocket Chat. Lolita, how are you? Clay, talking about sticks and people come in comments talking about toes. It's interesting, Snuts, isn't it? Sit at a run out of synthetics they may have. Okay, don't stare the stick too hard for you. What? Okay, don't stare the stick too hard to you. Don't do that. The stick might be too hard, guys. Lay off the hairline, guys. Clay is grooming his widow's peak to the bottom of the M in AMC. Oh, okay. Yeah, Brett, you might be onto something. Instead of shaving AMC, since everybody knows about the widow's peak, instead of shaving AMC into the side of my hair, I might just write the A right here and put the C right here and let this bad boy go as the M. So, or you could just, you know, take this right here. That's the M in AMC. That's why I keep it. That's why we're here. And I was born for this. I lived my whole life for this moment, and this moment only. If anybody else is trying to give you any signs that AMC will squeeze, look no further than my widow's peak. Don't try too hard. You might have to stroke reading some of these. I might. You can have a landing strip with a something. Okay, post your toes OnlyFans page in the description. Pop Squash. How much you paying for the toes only OnlyFans? The toes only OnlyFans there. Pop Squash. Let me know. I prefer a nice little Dorito chip. Okay. Don't answer something. I might not. I don't know what's going on here anymore. When are we gonna get the kiddie pool for these weirdos? Ape Father. I don't know. If it's a real. I feel like when the bots come in and then I see Ape Father in the chat, it might be an Ape Father bot. I'm not sure. Is it the real one or is it a fake one? Because I feel like there's a lot of weird toad things going on here now, and I don't know where it's going. I believe it's going to be lots and lots of letter attacks down over the month or two. I hope I am wrong and this blows up next week. Hope it blows up next week too, man, but they're not going to let it go easy. Ape Father in the house, baby. Is it the real one? I don't know. Am I allowed men getting their hair transplant soon? Not me, King Vortex. Not me. King Vortex, Elon Muskin, they call it. Okay, well, if they call it Elon Muskin it, I will not be Elon Musking it. You have to go to his channel and see the photo. I can't do it while I'm live, so I don't know if it's the real one or not. I trust you, Luca, though. You gotta let me know. Click. Did you hear the CNN? DN is running for... No, Chatty, I did not. I don't know if that's true or not. You have toe hair or do you shave? Interesting, Doug. Good question. Subscribe to the OnlyFans and figure it out. Rocket, thank you very much for the super chat. Rocket, he says, hey, Ape Father, can we play catch when you get home? That is all we need to know. Ape Father, will you please play catch with Rocket when you finally go home? Please. Rocket's been waiting so long for just that simple game of catch. And he needs it to happen, man. He needs it to happen. And who better to do that than a guy like you? Oh, I don't know if it's the real Ape Father or not, but last night I did buy the Ape Father shirt. So we're going to get that duty shirt. Catch, catch. Catch, catch. I'm just holding a mitt and a baseball. That's all you need, man. Hedgies, you want my shares? Well, guess what? I'm taking them to the graves. Dude, you guys... So my mom got into AMC probably a couple months ago now. And she's like, when should I sell it? And I'm like, well, I don't know, Mom. I can't tell you when to sell it or whatever, but this thing is going to squeeze, and it's going to be crazily high priced. And she's like, oh, it doesn't matter anyway. I'm never selling my shares. I'm just going to die with them. I'm like, well, Mom, sell your shares at some point. Like, don't just do... I'm like, what do you spend all your time on, Reddit or something like that? Like, she literally told me that she was never selling her shares and that she just bought those to have them. And I would not doubt it. She doesn't sell anything. She never gets rid of anything. So she might actually hold her shares. She might have better diamond hands than anybody in here. She might actually hold her shares forever. Mom, shout out to you if you're listening right now. Do people really watch Ape Father? Yes, Ape Father's funny, man. Has YouTube messed with your account? Clay, I don't think so. Citadel left me hanging on that fishing trip growing up. That's why I'm rebelling now. Good, Brett. It's like remember I know you watched Arrested Development. Remember the fishing trip episode when everybody just kept leaving him on before the fishing trip? Now Kenny will do plenty of fishing that heroin won't get himself out of the booty. It will not, Brett. It will not. She's on Reddit talking crap about ClayBro. Yeah, M. James. She might be. She might be like, this shill's going to sell when it goes to $1,000. I'm holding these shares till I die. And I'm like, the name's probably ClayBro's mom. And I'm like, well, that can't be my mom. Come on. But then it literally turns out to be my mom because she said she's holding till she dies. And ClayBro's a shill for selling during the short squeeze. That's reborn AMC Ape. I love already. Hashtag mom. Yeah, I don't know if she's in the chat. I haven't seen her name right now, but... if she's driving or whatever, then she might be listening. Nope, Chatty. Citadel was supposed to teach me to ride a bike, but now I'm addicted to AMC shares. Like, that good. I'm glad you're addicted. Who would win an ape father? Or, well, listen, in a comedy contest, definitely the Ape Father. Listen, guys, I know you might not like some of the stuff that Ape Father did, but I really think the Ape Father, he's got good intentions, and he's having a lot of fun during this whole thing. I think the Ape Father is a very funny guy. Clay Mom? Yeah, Clay, I have not seen her in the chat today, so I don't know if she's listening or not. How can I be an ape if I bear back a... Some of you guys, man. The more you buy AMC, the more you will increase... Juan, that is a proven fact, man. It either squeezes or I spend my golden years showing my grandkids my AMC shares like a current grandpa might show his bottle cap collection right now. Yes. Stamp collections, bottle cap collections, coin collections. It'll be the same thing with AMC collections. And if it does squeeze, guess what? You're not going to be showing them your bottle cap collection. You're going to be showing them your POG collection. So either way, you're going to be showing the grandkids a collection of something very interesting one day. Breaking out this channel. I know, it's making me a little nervous, Irving. I like it. Let's see. Go to the upside, guys. Let's get it. Hope Adam Aaron comes to the Las Vegas party. I don't know if he will. Ape Father going to catch an asthma attack before he catches loose ants. Ape Father's a funny guy, man. I do like the Ape Father. Be careful. Avert your gaze or the stick will run away. Yeah, don't look at the screen right now. Don't look at the screen. Just watch the stock go up. Guys, I didn't even realize what time it was. How many likes do we have? Are we close to any number right now? Because it is lunchtime, and I need to get this quesadilla going, and I need to eat lunch. Please let the little piggies wiggle. I'll let the little piggies wiggle after the live stream, and yes, I'll probably go outside on the patio too. I'm eating my quesadilla. Watch the lines. Yes, watch that. I'm here. Bye. I don't have a good sell. Nobody's got a Jack. Good. Jack Stack Silver is here. Good thing he doesn't have a sell button. Only a buy button. I like it, Jack Stacks. 171 likes? I thought we had 200 before. From that Mamacita, right? Yes. You got to make sure that you got a bad Mamacita. So I found out my cousin made 200,000 on call options back when I started to blow up, and none of his family knows but me. He is only 21 as well. Luca, nice. I love it. I love it, Luca. Take a rest, bro. I will be back at it again at 3 o'clock. No EE they have already. Might have missed someone who happened to the Lou vs. Wall Street, whether you like him or not. Just weird and total ghost. Anyone? Lou Harrelson? I don't know. Maybe Chihuahua Cheese makes the best quesadilla. AMC tomorrow is the day. Threshold Securities. Alejandro? I don't know. What is lunch? Lunch is what you eat in the middle of the day. That is what we're going to go do right now. Technically, it's breakfast because I haven't had breakfast, but that is what lunch is. All right, guys, if you want to shout out, get your name in the chat right now. We'll give you a shout out also. Weeble, okay? Weeble. You guys know about it right now. That's where you see the chart at right now. Austin Player 100. Thank you for the super sticker. I appreciate, or Aussie Player, not Austin. Aussie Player 100. Thank you very much for the super sticker. I appreciate that. And we've got a yippee! Yippee! Yip! Oh no, big screen. Yippee! Thank you very much, Aussie Player. Yippee! I appreciate the super sticker very much. Yippee! And yes, thank you very much for dragging the stream out slightly longer. We've got the yippee going on in the chat right now. And oh my gosh, what are these people doing? It's time to leave. Average Rob 808 says veteran A peer since January saw my 30 strike or 30. $40 call options go to 133,000. Now I'm seeing my 2070 July 30th call options go down. Today is hedgies giving us IOUs to the smaller hedgies to short. Next 2 days will be fire. Average Rob, thank you very much for the super chat. I appreciate that. Also, one more yippee for Aussie. Thank you very much, Average Rob. Yeah, dude, the hedgies are out in full force. Oh my goodness, and the super chat's coming in now. I'm getting hungry. It's time to go. Mad Medic, thank you for the super chat. Mad Medic says, have a Coors Light beer for lunch. No, I will be having a most likely, I think I got watermelon lemonade left right now. Most likely watermelon lemonade and a chicken quesadilla is what I will be having for lunch, and then I will be back. But Mad Medic, thank you very much for the super chat. I appreciate that. And now we can get back into the shout-outs and the talk. If you guys are out there, use Weeble, okay? Even if you don't want to use your Weeble account, a $5 deposit gets you 2 free stocks, and your 2 free stocks are going to be more than the $5 deposit. So open up a Weeble account, use the link in the description below, deposit $5, and you're going to get a couple free stocks. Make sure to do that. Even if you don't want the Weeble account, you know, it's still a good time to get some really cheap stocks for having that, or get some stocks really cheap for having that account. And we've got Cookie. Really? Awesome. I don't know. I mean, I just read Aussie really quick and then started going yippee. But Cookie, have a wonderful lunch. I will see you later this afternoon. Definitely shout out to Matt Perry. Recharge the powers for the afternoon shills. Yes, Brett. Shout out to you, my man. Crypto Millionaire. Show them toesies real quick. Not going to happen. King Vortex. Later, bro. Have a lunch. NT, Natalie, Juan, and Brett once again. Yes, can we agree to spend the break harassing YouTube to get a foot super sticker? No. Now you're making me nervous. I need to, Brett's making me real nervous now. I need to email YouTube and make sure that they don't get a foot super sticker. Because, yes, I am, now I'm nervous. Shruti says, see you soon. Shruti, I will see you after lunch. Okay, lunchtime for me too. Your mamacita. One bad mamacita. All right. Snuts, everybody. I will see you guys later. Use Weeble if you don't have it. All the links. Make sure to click on and see what they're about. And, yeah, if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.